bag.
Oh yeah, can clear. Pepper rice. Oh, good one, pepper rice.
Why are you dancing now?
Pepper rice. Oh, pepper rice.
You get vibes, so I don't get.
This is how I entertain my customers.
How do you say how much they play?
Depends on what you want. I have beans, I have plantain, I have spaghetti, I have
rice and plantain, please. Yes.
Pepper rice. Oh, good one, pepper rice. Oh. Hey. Custom. I will. Pepper rice. Oh, good one, pepper rice. Oh. Go.
You go farm.
No, nasty.
Okay, speak. I don't like beef. I don't like beef.
I put.
I don't go before that.
Oh, wait, they said that.
How much?
My money.
How much?
500.
500.
Pepper rice. Oh, good one, pepper rice. Oh, pepper rice. Oh, good one, pepper rice. Hey, customer! My fast.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. Pepper rice. Oh, good one, pepper rice. Oh, sweet rice. Oh, good one, sweet rice. Oh, delicious rice. Oh, good one, pepper rice. Oh.
Back to Alicia Mechaka, very hot and sweet, yo. I go pepper rice, yo. I go pepper rice. Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you. I go pepper rice. I go the beans in our sauce. I go pepper rice. Plantain and meat is over.
Nah, my man.
I want the magic, have no, go never come. What's in the happen? You go Google. Who be Google? OFFV now. Everything be OFFV now.
Our funny food vendor. Now what for you, guy?
That lady, that comedian.
Yes, now.
Maybe she go soon come now. Don't say me I didn't need for years. I know too know. Listen, she go soon come. Maybe 1 or 2 things done.
Guy, 12 done now. Intestine done they do cha. No we to hard now, guy. Body no be firewood.
It's bagoon now, guy. I dey hungry scatter, but no just dey work now. Maybe she go soon show now. Just dey work. If I check that tire. Go work, lazy man.
Guy, body no be firewood. Come on down.
Good morning, my guy. Odigo.
Normal. Yeah. Open and a boy.
Odigo. Guy, just dey work, lazy man. Go do something.
Pepper rice. Ogugwa pepper rice. Pepper rice. Ogugwa. I don't just they sell food. I they sell and they entertain. Pepper rice. Ogugwa pepper rice. Make I cook for you. I'm not sure you want to.
As usual now.
Pepper rice. Ogugwa pepper rice. Oh.
I believe you that. Just add that kind of about when you do
I go you know what?
Every time I go fight.
Poor man. Roundabout.
Every time I go fight, I go argue.
Waiting again, I dey put spaghetti beans.
Bag now, be just you know now. I dey be now.
50-50. Like
Pepper rice. Ogugwa pepper rice. Oh. I'm here. Oh, customer.
You say one buy. Yeah. You get money?
don't be basing on money. No, you lose money for it.
Pepper rice. Ogugwa pepper rice.
I beg, give me spoon.
Pepper rice. Ogugwa pepper rice.
Put my own now. Put my own now.
Pepper rice.
I dey hate serious.
Ogugwa pepper rice. Hot rice. Ogugwa hot.
As they hot.
I dey put for everybody. Go reach everybody. Be calming down. Pepper rice. Ogugwa pepper rice.
Come on it down.
Okay, run your bone. I
rice go
get
finish,
everybody. No,
Apa Ogogo, man. Nonsense.
Rice no go finish. I don't understand.
you will not finish. Pepper rice. Ogugwa pepper rice.
Ogugwa, give me spoon now. Give me spoon.
Ogugwa pepper rice.
I go start myself smuggling now.
Don't worry.
I'll go that for you.
I'm not just selling rice. I am selling rice and I'm entertaining you.
Hey, take your money.
That's why I'm the best. Am I not the best?
You are the best now. You get kanda.
No, not can that today.
When you like sweet.
You go reach everybody.
Don't tell this woman now. Make me rice now.
Go reach.
I'm going to give you.
Rice day. Pepper rice. Ogugwa pepper rice. Oh.
You never made it touch.
Are your own? No. This brother go beat
You
you.
get salad.
No, salad no day today.
You be like, see,
The one wey carry come yesterday, una no buy am.
That one before I come, you don't run now.
nah, she like I'm not putting on job. Man, don't say something.
Anyway. Never this market is something else.
Now I ask you, who is your neighbor? Listen to me, Agogo. I can never be a neighbor to a witch. You are a witch. And I tell you something, you and your husband will crumble for all the evil you've done against me.
Rosa, are we quarreling?
Are we not quarreling before, pretender? Backstabber! Are we not quarreling before? Listen to me. You see you and that your God-forsaken miserable husband. I have declared war between us.
What?
It is
Why?
war. Going forward from today, it is war between us. Oh, why it is war? It is war, and you will crumble for all the evil you've done against me. Go back. People.
Yay! The yard! So this is how you just wake up. Trouble will just come like that. The only thing I said was never. With excitement, why is she not talking to me like that? I don't want trouble at all. Nobody should look for my trouble. If you people are carrying trouble up and down, I'm unavailable. I know they see me. Obi,
didn't you hear me calling your name?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear. My mind was just somewhere.
Your mind was somewhere. By the way, what are you doing here all alone?
I'm thinking there's something bothering me.
Thinking? Thinking about what?
Nah, Ikewu. I'm thinking about Rosalina and Nebo. Do you know today,
when I was coming back from the market, I saw her as usual now.
Eh.
So I greeted her neighbor. I was even telling her that the next day she shunned me. Ifumba. She called me all manner of names. She insulted me. She even insulted you, sir.
Me?
And I'm wondering why. Because I'm certain I haven't done anything wrong to her.
Wait, she called my name too?
Yes. She said you're a bitch, you're this. She said so many things that I don't like. But my only worry is why? Like why?
Papa, I don't have time for women and their gossip. Please come and give me food.
This is not women gossip.
Come.
Yeah, no problem. Let me come.
Isaiah, come.
You're shocked.
Hey! Bloody pretenders. Bloody backstabbers. Hypocrites everywhere. Imagine that evil girl coming to me today, neighbor, after everything. Trust me, I gave it to her immediately, back to back. Hey, hold it there. I'm not your neighbor. I can never be a neighbor to a witch married to a wizard. Never! Ever. Not in this life.
Rosarine, I don't tell you, make you forget this thing.
Anna, you'll forget what? It can never happen. I can never forget it. You don't know me. In my dictionary, there's nothing like forgiveness or forgetting. Never! That evil has already declared war. And war, I mean battle, that is what she will get. I warned her already to stay away from anything that concerns me and my family. Because if she dare cross my line in this compound,
Rosarine, you know your problem for this life is you know they take advice. Your husband advise you, tell you, say, leave this matter. You don't want hear. You don't want hear. Okay then.
Hold your advice. You need your advice more than me. Hold it there.
Okay. Good night.
Good night again. We go dagaram. No be by cho. We go digaram.
My sister, this life is actually very scary. It's very scary how humans can pretend for a living. Imagine that someone will just finish backstabbing you and gossiping you, saying all sorts of bad things about you behind your back, and then still have the audacity, the demonic impetus to smile at your face.
You don't know? Hey, that's why the saying goes, who is holding behind you? My dear, people can pretend for Africa.
Trust me, I gave it to her immediately. When she saw me, she wanted to come and say, hey, nobody, I hushed up.
That's my girl.
And I warned her, never in her life will she see me and greet me. Good. Angel.
Yeah.
I even went ahead to call her and her husband, which is a wizard. Yes, sir. This is what they are.
Wait, are you serious?
My sister, you don't need to be flying in the night to be a witch.
Of course.
That particular attitude of hers signifies a witch.
She looked like one. But what is a wizard for?
Yes, now, babe, if you are a witch and you have a husband, your husband automatically becomes a wizard. You don't know.
Witches and wizard.
Yes.
Give me 5.
Just like Mr. and Mrs.
Babe, give them hot. Before she give you fire, sure say you yourself now fire.
So you should calm down. She will still carry that her 2 left leg to come and tell you here what I've been doing to her.
That's her young
I will make that our compound a living hell for her. I promise her.
I trust you.
On God.
I trust you. Babe, give it to them. that her leg will be like yam. Yam leg.
Pepper rice. Hold on.
Person they call you.
The person waits my service one finish. No, he never finish. Bring my food.
All of them are much.
All the things.
All the
like that. No.
You know what make
You don't know what people do.
Wow.
Pepper rice. Where my money? Can I go collect that for now? I don't want credit today. Pepper rice. Hello? Neighbor. Wait a neighbor, what did you say?
Neighbor, there's a very big problem in the yard right now.
Are you serious or you're joking?
Rosa got your husband naked.
Jesus! She did what?
Rosa removed your husband's wrapper while they were having a little misunderstanding. The whole yard is on fire right now, no? Your husband stood stark naked. Everybody saw your husband's nakedness, including children.
Can you hear? In fact, I'm coming to that compound now. Don't worry, I'm coming. Wait, customer, there's emergency. Wait.
Hello? Hello? She has dropped. She didn't even wait for me to give her the whole information. Hi.
Self-confess, no one they go there.
Give me that. Wait, customer, there's emergency. Wait, I'm coming back. I will send you. Wait, I'm coming.
Mama.
Customer, ahead. My container there here 40 feet in now. Take care of this thing. Muna wait.
What's your mama? See your car.
I go keep person today.
What's in happen now?
I go keep somebody.
Come, you go show this before you come back. You go show this before you come back.
You were wrong. You admit it. How was I wrong? No, Georgina, how was I wrong? You are young. I got to the toilet door first with my tissue paper and my buckets. I only remember that I had something on the fire. I quickly ran to go and put it down. On coming back, this wicked, demonic, frustrated, poor vulcanizer that I know must have monitored me. He must have seen me going back to my room to go and put off the fire. He ran inside, locked the door behind me. Is it that he's blind that he couldn't see my tissue paper and buckets there?
But that's not enough reason for you to strip a full grown up man naked now.
A full grown man should act like a full grown man. I will even strip him once I'm naked.
Naked.
But besides, as long as he came and saw the toilet door open, he has every right to go in and use the toilet. My point is that, see, you cannot use your bucket or tissue paper to secure a position in the toilet. It's either you're inside or you're outside.
That's it.
I have heard. Look at them. George and Georgina's.
Okay, stop here.
Gloria!
Neighbor, can you hear me? What happened?
Your husband came back to use the toilet. He was tying on the wrapper. Rosa already had her water and tissue in front of the toilet door. But she went to check her food on the fire.
Wait, to cut the whole story short. Is it my husband or Rosa?
It was your husband, though. It was your husband, but Rosa was already waiting, shouting, trying to bring down the whole compound. And immediately your husband came out from the toilet. Rosa drew his wrapper from his waist. Yes.
Wait. Was my husband wearing boxers?
Nothing. He was not wearing anything.
Pants?
No, nothing.
So my husband thing was dangling?
He was stark naked and his thing was dangling like this.
Hey!
He was not wearing anything.
Hey. Wait, you mean that everybody saw my husband on Tata?
Everybody in this compound, including children.
My mother will commit murder.
Rosa! You people are blaming me. You are blaming me. Let me tell you something. Rosa there is not shaking. Enolia, I am not shaking. Lady, you don't stop them.
Allow me to deal. I will kill you and go to jail.
No wahala. It is me and you in this compound.
You will not do anything.
You will see.
You will not see this compound. You will do your work. Allow me to deal. I will kill you and go to jail.
No wahala. It is me and you in this compound.
You will not do anything.
You will see.
You will not see this compound. You will do your work. If you do anyhow, I will beat you again. Come back, let me teach you a lesson. Every time Rosa, now I go to the left. Are you mad? Because I'm respecting my husband. Try me. If you do anyhow, you see anyhow. Try me again.
Let us go inside. Won't you go and continue with your business? Do you want your food to spoil?
Let it spoil. Let it spoil. Because everything have spoiled already. You want me to be going outside so that people will be laughing at me? Look at her husband in Tanta is small. Is that what you do? You know the shame?
Let them talk now. Is it not only talking? They are free to say whatever they want to say.
How about me? Do you know how I feel when they're telling me that? Do you know how I will feel?
How about me that have the small entanta? Maybe I should go and commit suicide. For having small entanta.
You people have exposed everything already. Now I'm going to him now.
Oh, leave that in. You know it's not about the size. It's about the usage. You can testify now. You know how sugary and sweet it is.
But do they know?
They must not know. Oh yeah, Meliji Kaliaha. Leave it like that. Hapukelende mwadna sere. The small and Tanta will deal with you now.
I'm not laughing.
Where are those Yamalek psychiatric candidates? Members of the Yamalek? You think he ends inviting me or where? Come outside it. The fight, the real war has just begun. You think he ends inviting? Come out. Yes.
Okay,
come out.
What is going on here?
Officer,
is it the one?
Him and his wife picked me up.
Mr. C, you're under arrest, you and your wife. Where is she?
Officer, my wife is not around. And please, what is going on?
You are a liar! Officer is a liar. She must have heard our voice and went to hide herself inside.
You are under arrest for molesting and assaulting this lady.
Yes, so.
Where is your wife?
My wife is not around.
I said, where is she? Officer, search her out.
Yes, sir.
Search out the culprit.
Officer, search very well. Make sure you search under the bed and the coolers too. For war. I will give you war. I will give you war. By the time I'm done with you, you understand.
Well, she's no one there.
No what? It's a lie. Did you search under the bed?
There's no one there.
Did you search the cupboard?
There is no one
the
there.
The cool and cup?
There is no one there.
You must follow us to the station. Eh? Your wife will come and meet us when she gets our message.
But I told you.
She has to appear by herself, otherwise we'll come and bundle her to the station. Move.
Move it, walk it.
Move, you have the right to remain silent.
Let me lock my door. Let me lock my door.
Lock which door? Officer, I cannot lock any door.
Move. Rosa, my neighbor. Move. Rosa.
Move it. Maybe they should carry you too. Move it.
What kind of troublesome person is this?
Well, you guys you are free to join the action too, if you want. Are we friends? Trouble every day.
Agugwa pepper rice yo, na one in town. You know get back to Alicia Mechaka, very hot and sweet yo. Agugwa pepper rice yo, Agugwa pepper rice. Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you. Agugwa pepper rice. How about the beans in our sauce? Agugwa pepper rice. Plantain and meat is Agugwa pepper rice. If you want the rice and spaghetti, Agugwa pepper rice. If you want the entertainment,
Pepper rice, Agugwa pepper rice, oh, delicious rice, Agugwa pepper rice, oh. Thank you, Oga. My container is safe. Oh yeah.
Baby, can see it now.
Sorry. I had emergency.
Where you go?
Don't be angry. I had emergency. I had to rush.
Just keep on seeing as long as you won't finish person.
I'm sorry now.
I don't want to see you. Ofaku now. I want Ofaku.
There's no faku today.
I don't faku
I
today.
told you.
Oh, Gugwa. Oh yeah. Just
give me rice and spaghetti.
Push you. That's a good now. Why your phone they ring now, Oga? How is the people you open? Oh, you know it.
Pepper rice. Agugwa pepper rice.
Who only this and spaghetti?
I'm coming.
Madam, sir, my own servant.
Let her relax. I'm not being big.
Calm down.
No, relax, I beg.
I'll take them for you because you have
Gugwa special.
Give me some rice and spaghetti.
Special delicacy.
Give me this one.
Pepper rice. Agugwa pepper rice.
Fast now.
Pepper rice.
Give me spoon now.
I
don't beg you for spoon.
Don't worry.
Wait, now you step.
I did entertainment.
You be comedian, no?
I'm gonna do good. Just give me to only be.
You know how they be now.
Come here.
You know how they be now. Before the day run down.
No problem. I'm coming. No problem. I should have covered you.
Oh, Gugwa.
Give me that.
My
special.
If you waste me time here.
Give me rice and spaghetti. I'll
Rice
get
and
it already
spaghetti.
now. Rice and spaghetti. Just let them do it.
Agugwa rice. Agugwa rice. Pepper rice. Agugwa pepper.
Make a hold.
Okay, wait.
So.
Pepper rice.
Nah, this rice is
pepper
small.
rice. So hot. My brother, you know the economy.
This rice more now. That's the way they're talking. I know
Pepper rice. Agugwa pepper rice.
If anything happens to this rice, I
No,
go
who
to
dey call me again? My money. After I go give you change.
I know they hear what you say.
I dey go sir. Hello? Neighbor,
Immediately you left the house, Rosa came in with some policemen to arrest your husband.
Police?
Your husband has been arrested.
Jesus.
Yes, and they took him to the station with them.
Chimo. Wait, which police station did they take my husband to?
It must be this A division close to us here now. Which other police station will they take him to? So you better rush down to the police station. They were asking after you when they came. That's why I'm calling you. Bye.
Okay, thank you.
Madam, are you okay?
you know get back to Alicia Mechaka, very hot and sweet yo. Agugwa pepper rice yo. Agugwa pepper rice. Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you. Agugwa pepper rice.
Today's market is just a waste. From one trouble to another. If I'd known, I wouldn't have cooked this food now. Rosa. Chuku ga akpogo oku. For frustrating me like this, Chuku ga akpogo oku.
Garden boot for leg. Agugwa pepper rice. She wear apron for body. Agugwa pepper rice. With the fine heart where they her head yo. Agugwa pepper rice.
You see, we are going to try our possible best to broker peace between the two families.
DP, I don't want peace, please. It's not peace.
For the peace, they say is golden. For peace, they say is golden. It's on the premise of our inability to achieve peace between the two families that we are going to charge the case to court.
Yes, so court. Court it is. Court, that is what I want. I want us to go to court. Court or nothing.
Oh, Google and Lucy. Rosa here decided that both of you beat her up together.
Rosa, okay, the side. Okay, He's a liar, she's a liar. A born liar.
What is the lie about it? Is it that you did not beat her up?
Yes, two of us did not beat her. I'm the only one that beat her blue and black. I will accept it, DPO. I'm the one that beat her because of what she did. My husband only came to separate the fight. Did my husband touch you?
Did you hear? Proudly. Hey!
Let me tell you what she did, DPO. Do you know what she did?
Listen to you. She exposed. This woman is like, stop talking! You are interrupting me.
Back in the public of Igwe Madu, she stripped my husband naked. Showed my intanta to the public compound. Where is it done? If woman strips you naked, sir, will you like it, sir? This is my pride, sir. And she did it. So when I came back, I was very angry. It's only natural for me to react. But for my husband, he did not touch her.
Why would you strip a full-grown man like this?
DPO, sir. You know when you are dealing with two pathological liars, I mean husband and wife, that are born liars, you have to treat with caution. These two witches and wizards that you are seeing here are nothing but bloody liars. Look at what happened here. Let me explain it for you. I was only having what you call argument, mere argument with this palm wine tapper husband of hers, this vulcanizer useless man.
Exactly.
All of a sudden, sir, his wrapper flew off his waist. Obviously, he must have tried to loosen it in a bit to seduce me, or the wave, I wouldn't know, but touching this man, I never touched him.
It's a lie, you
couldn't have been.
Rosa, you were the one that stripped me. You removed my wrapper from my waist. You go mad. You're the one.
Ask him to show you evidence. Respect.
Don't point me like that. Why? Don't point at me. I will beat you again. I will beat you. I will beat you. I will black and blue here. I said I will beat you and beat your husband. I will beat you and beat your husband in the jail.
I said enough.
Don't ever insult my husband.
Rosa, say the truth.
I think my husband is your husband.
It's you I'm respecting. It's you I am respecting
Not
here.
in my office.
It's not for you. If you talk to me again, you man like yeah,
you will not do anything.
It is you I'm respecting.
Now, the two of you, Osi and Abuba, I'll have to take you to where you belong, behind the camera, until I'm able to profile a solution to this mess. Alright? Sergeant! You know it's true. You know that was alright.
DPO, you don't know this people. You see these people, they are very bad people. Don't mind all this nonsense they are saying there. They are not good people at all. Do you know that me and these people used to be very good neighbors? I was extremely nice to them, like I took them like my own family.
So what changed?
Yeah, please hurry up. I have an appointment with my doctor for 1. Are you sick? Not really. You know, it's been 3 years, more than 3 years now since we're married. No issue yet. Yeah. So while we are waiting on God to do his own, I'm trying to do my own too.
Yeah. People say do you know that your neighbor? That your short neighbor now, that same mama put. And hey, the husband is the organizer. Yes, so the other day she came here, she said a lot of bad things about you. That you are a harlot. That you lived a bad life. That if your husband isn't picked on the road and just decided to marry you as auto pity now, she even said that your womb is already damaged though. She even said that you've done multiple abortions, and for that, you'll never be able to conceive.
Eh?
Babe, I just wanted to hold myself. I wanted to fight her. Because you're my friend now. How can she just be saying all those bad things about you? Baby, what's going to happen? 10 naira kuna. You know level. I said, my friend? She said, yes. No, like she's sure.
Wait. Ogugwa.
Yes.
Said all that about me to you.
I didn't they forget some things. Osman, it makes they get their head. No, from there, your husband saw you on the road, manager, where you stand, they look for customer. He just managed to pick you. As he pick, he managed to just pity you and marry you. And I was shocked. People,
Wait a minute. The Ogugwa that I took like my sister, the only person I talked to in that compound, said all these damaging things about me to you.
People can be funny. You go to trust people. You never even start. She said it. I swear with my life. I said I wanted to fight her. Just the spirit of God in me and someone back. Don't fight. Because you're my friend now. Don't trust that girl. Run away from her. Hey, ask for a mawarogi.
No, they tire you. Troubles, no, they tire you. You'll be trouble, woman, no. Anytime you enter the wahala.
You should quick to go to work. As you see now, this is narcissism day. All our bosses, this narcissism period, people they plan for well. I need to go make a put eye for the ticket when they sell because they go check.
You don't grab it. Listen to that one. I'm not coming here for all this long talk. I'm coming from the doctor.
Waiting doctor talk.
Doctor said you need to go and do series of tests.
Oh, a series of tests. Any problem? Okay. I don't get any problem for that. Why you say that?
There don't need to be any problem before you run tests. You have to run the test first. Then it is left for the doctor to conclude whether you have problem or not. So you can't sit here and be talking to me about not having any problem. Go and run the test. I don't run my own. It is now remaining you.
You look at your face. What is it? Because what people they ask you, if you say problem day, the thing they bother you.
Problem day because people are evil. So many witches and wizards everywhere. You know that short woman devil called Oguba? Can you believe that she has been going about telling everybody that cares to listen? Destroying my name and damaging my character. Before strangers, that series of abortion I committed before getting married to you was what damaged my womb. That I, loser, does not have any womb.
Can't talk to that one. When that time talk will come out.
Only a witch can say that. No, you have to be flying at night for you to have that kind of evil mind. Imagine that girl talking like as if she grew up with me. Or she was the one escorting me to the doctors for abortion.
What do we do? You tell me that kind of thing.
Forget about it. It's not necessary. What is important is that people's imaginations are evil, full of wickedness. Imagine cooking up such lie, demonic lie from the pit of hell to destroy my name. When they stay like this, their mind is full of evil. Imagine that kind of imagination.
You should say this person will tell you this thing, not the right. You sure?
My dear, the person can never lie to me. In fact, the person has never, ever lied to me before in this world. Yes. And besides, this person does not have any reason whatsoever to tell me lies. You see, Ogungo, if they tell you that she did anything, believe it. Better believe it. Short people are evil. My father used to tell me that.
You see, as I dey here, I no get time for cha. I dey very busy. You see, this is our first boss now. They don't roll finish. They don't come out. You see, with the second one won't begin road now. You see how this how we reverse. They don't need to cheat us for this place.
That's okay, please. This is not the reason I came here was to inform you to go and run your series of tests.
No problem.
Check it now.
Neighbor, this market is something else.
Now I ask you, who is your neighbor? Listen to me, Ogogo. I can never be a neighbor to a witch. You are a witch. And I tell you something, you and your husband will crumble for all the evil you've done against me.
Rosa, are we quarreling?
Are we not quarreling before, pretender? Backstabber! Are we not quarreling before? Listen to me. You see you and that your God-forsaken miserable husband. I have declared war between us.
What?
It is
Why?
war. Going forward from today, it is war between us. Otherwise, it is war. It is war, and you will crumble for all the evil you've done against me. Go back. People.
Yay! So this is how you just wake up. Trouble will just come like that.
The only thing I said was never. With excitement, why is she not talking to me like that? I don't want trouble at all. Nobody should look for my trouble. If you people are carrying trouble up and down, I'm unavailable. I know go see you.
You know your husband might be right. So how are we sure she said those things? I know saloon girls are fond of gossips.
That's not my problem right now. Seriously.
So what is your problem?
My problem is for these two people to spend the night in the police cell. I don't want them to come out. I want them to enter cell.
They are citizens and they have the right to bail.
DPO, I know. Please, delay their bail till tomorrow morning. Let them spend the night. At least one night.
You must understand that they are citizens. They have rights to bail.
DPO, I know. Please, just do this for me. I don't want these people to come out. I just want to teach them a strong lesson. Let them sleep for self. For assaulting me. Look at what that lady did to me. That lady disgraced me in front of people. DPO, that lady, no. She deserves to spend the night in the police cell. Please, just help me achieve this. It's a goal I'm focused on, please. My highest goal.
Well, it's going to cost extra money.
How much?
50,000.
DPO, my man. 3,000 is too much. Where do I want to get that kind of money from? DPO, you be my person. You are my man. I can be in kind. You can go somewhere and have a solid threats.
What happened to this place?
Yeah? Are you not afraid of scandal? Someone can walk in on us.
Not when I have my door personally locked.
Yeah. Bad man, DPO. The bad man. Eh? Wow. Eh? Hey. It's so. Hey. DPO. My one. I just want these people to spend their night in the police cell. I need them to spend the night. Hell, I told you nobody plays with me. I mean, no bloody body plays with me and goes scot-free.
Please tell me, how did you do it?
How I did it? Exactly how I should do it. As I speak to you right now, both of them are spending the night at the police cell. I've lodged them free of charge.
Hey!
Yes, so...
Only you strip the man naked. Only you beat up the wife. Same Tell me you still locked up husband and wife in cell.
This is just the beginning.
Babe, I'm giving you a title. Wanyi Kibia. Odogo Wanyi.
Girl.
Okura Karisa.
Only me.
You tried.
Only me.
I'm proud of you.
By the time I'm done dealing with those witches and wizards, I will run them out of that compound.
Good. Nice one. Show them Pepe.
Oh no.
I'm solidly behind you.
I don't like talking too much. You know, I believe so much in action.
Yes.
Because action speaks louder than voice. By the time Mosquito finish sucking their blood tonight, he'd finish dealing with them tonight. And maybe police people, you know, those police people, and how they behave, dealing with her.
And why? Babe,
she will understand.
I'm so proud of you. I like him. Kenya Hosso. Igenya Hosso. Show them Pepe. My baby. I'm Madi Chanwa.
All the Yaba left candidate that I'm living on in the same compound with is God that will punish all of you. They think it's by fighting Rosa. It's not by fighting you. It is not about fighting Rosa. It is about what will happen to you and when you finish fighting Rosa. Because Rosa is war herself. She is the battle herself. I will give it to every one of you, bomber to bomber. Now she and her husband have got problem. They are going to spend a night at the police station. Yes, sir. Made possible by one and only Rosalie. Rosalie. Yes, I made it possible. Yes, so Mosquito go chop them. Suck husband blood. Suck wife blood. He go still deal with husband. Deal with wife. Police people go still collect their own joint. Any bastard, any Yaba candidates member that have decided not to allow me drink water and drop cup in this house, in this compound, a police station go decide. I have come to stay here. Now una go run, no be me go run. No. Now una go run. No peace for the wicked. I keep minding my business in this compound. People say no, I'm a fool. By the time I finish dealing with these two people, the rest will learn. And any idiot that dares to enter the war, you go feel it. Then go feel it. Then go hear it.
Oh now wow. How can husband and wife sleep in police cell for a matter they are not at fault? Now what? God will help us in this compound.
Trouble's not a tire you. You'll be trouble, woman, no. Anytime we enter now, holla. Can't you allow peace to reign? Wait till the matter. Talk up now,
Rosalie, I think say you say Usi and the wife go sleep for police cell today.
Done and dusted. They are spending the night already there. Can't you see? By the time I'm done dealing with these people, the next time they hear rope talk more of Zach, they will disappear from anything that concerns me, including looking for my trouble. It ends today.
Even I say they don't hear the name, Rosalie, they don't come back.
Oh, what are you saying?
Usi and Ogugwa.
What?
Two of them.
In your dream island or where?
Every dream, I see two of them the entire yard just now.
Yeah, it's like you want to replace them or something. No, do you want me to ask the police people to take you in exchange for them? Eh? What kind of joke is that? Don't even talk that kind of joke with me! What kind of joke is that?
Not be joke, bro. Not be joke. You don't know Nigerian police again? They dey outside you as they talk to you now.
Huh? Yeah, give it.
I love you. You know why you love to confess you?
Not the tire you. Troubles not the tire you. You'll be trouble, woman, no.
Okay, dust them. They don't dust you, come back. Come back, no.
Welcome. So after all the mouth making that people sleep in that position, you're not going to sleep in this yard today. Go past them.
Yeah, so
Yes, so God really passed them.
My sister, there is nobody on earth that will say a word and it will come to pass if not God.
Bam!
Even President of America will say something, it will not happen. Not to talk of one attaching one banshee that is living in face me and face you. He wants to use us to redeem us.
It's not possible for them to sleep in the cell when I'm involved.
Welcome. And are you trying to
It's not possible now. They can't sleep in the cell when I'm involved. I Just go in and rest.
Let us wait. We need to rest.
Yes, go and rest. I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you, my good neighbors.
Good night.
Gloria, good night, oh.
Good night.
She dey carry trouble for her. Wahala woman. Make you serious. She dey carry trouble. She be trouble woman. Make you serious. She dey carry trouble for her. She dey ready for.
Wait a minute. So this DPO actually granted these people bail after everything? After making me sleep with him in his office? Child, this is wickedness now. This is pure wickedness. This man is devilish. Hey, this man has fallen in my hands, oh. After all my boasting. Child. I won't take this. I will not. But what am I going to do? What am I going to do to this DPO? What? Ha! This man slept with me for nothing. Obi agbawa gomo.
Kata no dey tire you. Troubles no dey tire you. You be trouble woman, no. Anytime you enter na wahala, can't you allow peace to reign? Waiting be the matter. Talk am now, no. Shakala busy body.
Chukwu okike abịama, Eloka, ekene dịrị gị. I return all the glory to you. Odin, I never believed that we would sleep in this house today.
Thank God, oh. I thank God.
You know, get back to Alicia Mechaka. Very hot and sweet, yo. Ogogwa baby rice, yo. Ogogwa baby rice. Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you. Ogogwa baby rice. Ogogwa the beans in our sauce. Ogogwa baby rice. Plantain and meat is okwaya. Ogogwa baby rice. If you want the rice and spaghetti, yo. Ogogwa baby rice. After you want the entertainment, yo. Ogogwa baby rice. She wear them boot for leg. Ogogwa baby rice.
Aguba, you're back.
Yes, now I have to go. So where is your husband?
Your husband is in the police custody.
Chimo, what kind of job is this? And I don't know anybody. What do I can't forget Rosanna and a compounder.
Don't worry. I have a lawyer who attends the same church with me. Let's go and meet him. He can help us grant your husband bail.
No, thank you. I don't know what I've done in this compound without you. Let me quickly keep this thing. But you see this thing Rosabel is doing, God will judge her. Just wait, contact me, intimidate him at this compound. Okay, come my husband will go. What did he say?
He said he's very busy now, that we should wait till evening.
Gloria, evening is too far. I don't even know what is happening to my husband there.
Let's just wait now. What can we do?
Okay, I know what I will do. Let me just be going to the police station. Let me go and know if my husband is okay. When he's ready, you can come with him.
Okay, no problem.
Because my mind will not be at rest.
No problem, just go. Okay?
Thank you. God bless.
All right, I'm coming.
Now one in time, you know get back to Alicia Chaka. Very hot and sweet.
I had already forgotten about Gloria and her lawyer. Till our names were mentioned. I was surprised.
God came through. God, thank Gloria. God will bless Gloria.
Amen.
Chukuya Gosiarinde.
Obi, Gloria is not our neighbor. She's now a friend.
Family.
I think that useless woman. That useless Rosa.
It's okay. God has already taken place. Just leave everything for him to handle it.
I just saw it.
I'll be the next.
I could go up pepper rice, yo. Now one in town. You know, get back to Alicia Mechaka. Very hot and sweet, yo. I could go up pepper rice, yo. I could go up pepper rice. Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you. I could go up pepper rice.
I called this meeting because of what I heard. I heard about the ugly incidents that took place in this compound yesterday. To the extent that policemen were involved. This once peaceful compound. What happened?
Caretaker, Ogugwa the witch happened.
Caretaker, thank you. No mind. Now marriage. Marriage, now it happened though. Now marriage happened.
Oga Caretaker, please forget these comedians. Let me tell you what has been going on in this compound. From what I know. It started the day I was coming back from market. And I saw neighbor one.
Neighbor kill you there. I am not your neighbor and can never be your neighbor.
Have you seen Ekwapo. As I was saying, I saw neighbor and I started hailing her neighbor, or come. I continued with excitement as usual. She started insulting me. This girl, there is no name she did not call me. From there, Oribana, my husband. Your
Papa husband, you mean?
Rosa, can you allow her to talk now, please?
That now got me angry. I could not take it from her. Let's assume that I offended my neighbor. She was supposed to come here and say, Ogogo, this is what you did to me. And I'll say, Rosa, I'm sorry. She never told me of anything. I cannot remember doing anything wrong to her. Also, cause one be ufuobi, ajobi, obi butalivo, buri ebata compounder. We know so everywhere, oko. Since then, she declared war. She said I will not have peace, that I will not drink water and keep calm. I cannot, because I'm humble and nice, and allow this stupid woman, this witch, humble and nice. I said I will not take it. If you're looking for the person that is catching the peace in this compound, the serenity, the tranquility, the hold Rosa responsible. Look at her here. Architect of Unsobu. Fire!
I want to ask you, what did Ogugwa did to you that made you declare war on her against her? Tell us here, let us settle the matter now. What did she do to you?
Caretaker, number one. Firstly, there is no settlement between me and this witch. It can never happen. Thunder from Okitipopo. We visit her for me.
That's it, not that we visit you. Visit this young partner and the husband and you.
That's exactly what she did.
Oh yeah, what did I do?
Caretaker. Only in a Fueba knows exactly what she did.
What did she do to you?
I don't want to banter words with her. She's just a pretender. You cannot tell a pretender who knows exactly what they did.
You are a liar, no evidence. If you're certain that I offended you, say it here. Can you go because man I job in Amusi na time and kwege.
Wait, so we'll start bantering words as what? We're not in the same class. I cannot do that. It's for the time being. I'm not
him. You cannot intimidate me. Who is looking for trouble? One caretaker. Have you heard it?
Troublesome woman.
Kata no dey tire you. Troubles no dey tire you. You be trouble woman, no. Anytime you enter na wahala, can't you allow peace to reign? Waiting be the matter. Talk about.
By the time I'm done dealing with the both of you, I'm going to know which are wizard. You people run out of this compound.
You will not do anything. If you talk too much, I'll beat you black. I can say it again. Highest you do is to go and call DPO. They will arrest us. We'll go there. I'll beat you again.
And mosquito will chop you again. Which is a wizard.
This idiot. It's not something I
beat me again.
Think I'm your husband, your woman.
Wizard.
You are the witch. You are the wizard. This is another witch and wizard. You think everybody's your husband that you have used for ritual?
Okay, let us go inside.
My love, let me help you. Allow me to talk to this fool. No, this is a fool. Come on, what on your? No.
Rapid insult. Rapid as Eminem that you are. Rapid insult. What do you know? You see you people. You just carry the chair and be going inside. Hungry people.
The husband.
You're running away.
The husband don't take him inside. Make we enter our own house.
Not your booba inside. Let me talk, cousin. No, when we men are talking, you woman rapper will just come on, go inside. Don't say so, idiots. Don't make me lose my temper. Get inside. Get inside now. Get inside.
No problem. Okay.
Whoever they kill him. Osemo, come. Let's go inside. You are who? I am coming for you, idiot. Woo!
So that is the problem of this compound. Everybody knows. Even the caretaker knows exactly who is the problem. You'll be trouble, woman. Anytime you enter the wahala, in the name of meeting, yard meeting, I don't know why he should go and deal with Shaka directly. Deal with the person causing the problem in the compound. Why would you go for a meeting that at the end of the day should not bring out any result? I think you should meet the lawyer. You're correct. She be Rosa. She doesn't want to listen to anybody. That will stop the drama in the compound. Trouble woman. Antonio is a good man. He doesn't like trouble. But he's married to a bad wife. So he should face the consequences of marrying a bad wife. She be trouble woman. She ready for wahala.
From the little findings I made after what happened at the meeting, it's obvious your wife is the problem of this compound. She is practically looking for Ogugwa's troubles all the time. Ogugwa on her own part wants peace to reign. But no, your wife wouldn't want any peace. She wants war, war and more war. Warn your wife. Warn her. She will cease from that nonsense. The next time I will hear any report from her, from this compound, pertaining your wife, I am going to send your name to the landlord as problem tenant and ask for possible eviction. Did you hear what I just said now?
I don't hear with you. My problem is that she know the hear what. I go talk to her. I don't tell her. Sometimes you look at some things like this, you come out eye. I don't tell her me not agree here. But I go tell her.
She doesn't have any option than to listen, unless you want to leave this place. Unless you are expecting a quick notice from me.
It never reach like that. It never reach like that. No worry, I go try talk to her. I beg.
I'm going.
I beg. Lozarine. You see him now?
No! It is my God that will judge all of you in this compound, including you. You this doggy man that is sitting there looking at me. Yes, God will judge you. You are a very useless husband. Yes. Oh, you stood and watched another man. Watch all of them. Blame me. Disrespect me. Your wife. A woman you paid her full bride price. Or did you not pay? No, did you not pay him full? But you could not defend your wife. You stood there watching them disrespect a woman you paid money to marry. And you say you are a man. I'm telling you.
I pay everything, no. I pay. But no verse. No verse for me. For the compound, they say that you the cause problem for compound.
That will fire you. No. Anayo. It is one thing that is holding me back. If not, with the way it is in my mind, I would have just descended on you with my full might. You are a very useless man.
Me?
A total weakling. In fact, you are nothing but a not man enough. That is what you are. Yes, sir. 2 women quarreled. They ganged up against him, sat down, analyzed the whole situation. After that, they now come in agreement that the problem is me. Me? How? No, how? No, if you want to blame, you blame all of us, not to blame one person. Why would I be the only person that will be singled out for blame? Why? The most annoying thing is that my supposed husband sat there and could not utter a word, not even to raise a defense for his wife. Shame on you, this man. You are an evil man.
No wonder they talk it. I think say na right they tell they right. They talk and say that you be the problem of the compound. You be the problem.
Agony, listen to me. If you repeat that thing, if you ever call me the problem of the compound again, it will not end like this. We will not see action. Watch your mouth. No, begin to watch your mouth. Watch your mouth. I will not take that thing from you here. Watch your mouth. When they are talking about Husband Association of Nigerian Men, you will come out. You half man. In serious, not man enough, will come out. To do what? Shame on you.
Am I your husband?
You are nothing but a not man enough.
You are the work when they do.
Which work? No, which work? Shame on you. No, which work? Show me the result of the work you are doing. If your working does not have result, then there's nothing you will explain. Tire, no evidence. That is it.
Owam, I want you to stop quarreling with Rosaline.
But Obim, you know I'm not the one looking for her trouble.
Yes, I know. You are not the one looking for her trouble, but you can avoid it when she comes.
See, what I cannot do is sit down and watch somebody disrespect me. Or my husband. I will not take it from any human being. Disrespect me and disrespect my husband at the same time.
Just ignore her. Ignore her.
I can't promise you that. Oh, yeah, Fiamma, oh, you boomaka.
Okay, Bugaka. What is difficult in avoiding a mad woman's rant? Don't you know that people will think that both of you are mad?
Obim is a liar. Even you and other people know that you married a good, happy, peaceful, jolly, good fellow. I don't look for trouble. Yes. But what I cannot do is to sit down and watch somebody use me and do play ball with me. I cannot do it, Makachi. If you look for my trouble, I will give it to you. I will give it to you, Woto. I don't tolerate nonsense.
I'm telling you now, as your husband, to deviate from any issue you are having with that woman. I am the head of this union and my word is final.
I've heard, no problem.
Please, stop replying her. You are not mad.
It was so bad the caretaker himself had to come beg me in my house. I mean, he literally knelt down, really pleaded with the name of God for me to forgive those two idiots.
Yeah.
Who am I not to forgive? I'm not evil like that. And who am I not to respect an elderly man like my caretaker? So I listened to him, called the commissioner to please release them. The idiots have been released.
Oh, the one brought guy name.
Yeah.
My sister.
You don't want to know. As I speak to you right now, literally everyone in that compound is begging me. They've been begging. Like, they are very scared of me. If I do, all of them will run inside their rooms. Close their door.
Good.
So is that bad right now?
I like him kissing the boy.
I said I am the reigning queen.
My babe, I like the way you handle the issue. Next time she will be careful.
Yeah, you know people are crazy, right?
Yeah.
Just because they meet you on the streets, they think, oh, this one, she's a towel, she doesn't have sense, she can easily be used. No way. Then I don't talk too much. You know, because I'm humble, friendly. Some idiots actually think I'm a weakling, I'm some coward. Nope. The fact you see someone on the streets doesn't mean that the person is a tout or senseless.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
No, she needed to be taught that lesson. They needed to be taught that lesson.
They don't know.
Next time they won't mess with
They don't know. I like the way you're showing them pepper. Come on, now I'm going to go Carissa.
Just the beginning for them. A tip of the iceberg.
That's my baby. Baby girl. You are showing them pepper.
Marriage no easy at all. Let me say you talk. It no easy.
It can't be we say we don't move for us finish. It's not easy.
I hope say you know they try complain. I hope say you know they try complain because I know say a lot of people want you. Me sef I follow want you. I say make you no marry that woman, but you don't listen. You no listen.
You see this thing where you dey talk. Sometimes I will look you like say whether your sense dey complete. You see Rosaline, I know they use the matter play. I love that girl. Now my wife you be. You see as Rosaline dey, I no fit stay one day without her. Na wetin dey call love be that.
You sure say na love be that?
Wetin e be? Rehearsal.
See, wetin you wan tell me now say woman go just dey, e go disrespect you. Anything wey you tell am, you no dey do am. You no dey use one ear hear wetin you tell am. You tell am sit here, you no go sit. Go here, no go go. You talk say that thing na love. Take am well o.
It was no problem. Na my wife we dey talk about you. Na you dey use the demonstrate dey give me. You see this matter, e big pass me and you. So make we leave am. Make we no quarrel. Make we no quarrel. I don dey want you dey come see so.
I don't leave the matter for you. I don't leave am. Marry your wife. I don't leave am for you.
Adigo. Pepper rice so good.
Forget about this.
Pepper rice so good. Neighbor. My sweet neighbors, are you providing to that as usual?
You say we get rice.
Of course, nah. Spaghetti. Your favorite, nah.
Plantain.
Is that one same thing?
But see, make you get understanding. I no get money now, cash now. But by the time you come back from market, trust me now, I go deliver.
Okay.
I go deliver.
Neighbor, you know you're my first customer this morning. And you know how it is. You're supposed to sell with cash before you start selling credit. But no problem. You're my good neighbor. I cannot allow hunger to...
Oh, serious?
Let me put food for you. I can't say no to you now.
You say this is your food, and they keep this country together. This is your food, and they keep this country together. As it is sweet, so they enter the body.
I better my own. No problem.
I could go up pepper rice, yeah. Now one in town, you know get back to Alicia.
I gotta pay for your food. But if I tell you, say you find girl, make you share. You know, here. Put on well, oh. Don't be like say come on subsidy for the food.
Neighbor, it's cheap, it's liquidate company.
Oh, no. But you go. Don't be like say come on subsidy. Say your meat thick, as usual.
I could go up pepper rice, yeah. Now one in town, you know get back to Alicia.
Oh, serious?
The international coup.
Forget it, you get it.
My neighbors, thank you people. I like the way you people are always buying and supporting my business.
If you don't support you, who will?
I'm not your neighbors.
The matter is here now.
No be lie. No be lie.
Hey. I used enough curry.
Oh, serious? Now only you they run am. After you, now you. Before you save, now see you. I'm down.
Wait, I'll put for you. I'm a man in a line.
But me, I want this one.
Don't worry, let me give you that.
My girl. Hello, Sisi.
My customers will be waiting for me now.
And you see the make shakara? Hey, touch me again.
Oh, love you can't do rice and the crib. Love
yeah. Pepper rice, yo. Now one in town, you know get back to Alicia. Very
hot. To have spaghetti.
Hey, you want?
Yes.
You dey enter body.
No, sorry.
Oh, serious? You dey enter body.
Ooh.
Thank you.
Wait.
This time you feel am. Go too sweet.
I put the star down.
It's like God that wants to fire some people this morning. When did this one start? No starting when? Gloria. When did this nonsense start? Okay, you people now leave your domots to come and be littering my own domot with this poisonous smelling dirty food.
Not too bad.
Eh? No, when did we start communicating like that?
Not too bad. Rosa, not too bad. You know, really rich like that.
God will punish you. Ekwesu! So you no longer sell your food in your domot. It's now in my domot that you want to be selling your food to poison me, Okwaya? This rat poison that you are carrying up and down.
Neighbor, in the yard, how is the food?
Finish work.
Very, very sweet.
After you, now you. Before you, now see you.
This poisonous food you people are eating will purge you. Both of you will purge.
Never reach like that.
I promise. And as for you, you will sell on credit today.
Remember, when I go back.
Before you go come back, your money go ready. It's safe and guaranteed. I go even pay for her.
Thank you.
God will punish you. You see you, I wish you bad luck this morning. On credit, that is what you will get.
Neighbor,
on credit,
won't you people wish me well?
Ah, good luck.
You will finish
good
everything.
It's backfired. It will not be well with you. You see you and this your food. God will punish you. God will punish you today. Now only credit you will accept today. God will punish you.
You make it.
And as for you
make it.
What of you? They are making jest of me. No, I now look like mockery to you, Akwaya.
No.
You see you, evil genius, both of you. I tell you something. By the time I go back to drop this, spray this my towel, and come back and jam you here.
No, if that because of the rest, I go sweep and
No,
move.
wait for me. Come.
No, vex.
No, wait. You people want madness. Madness you will see.
You never really reach like that, man.
Please, let's go.
You never really reach like that, man.
Where are you going? Come back, oh. Come back. Don't go anywhere. Wait for me. I'm coming. Wait.
Okay. Rosa, which kind of noise are you outside just now?
Which noise?
I hear your voice just now quiet from outside.
Quarreling. Ha! I wasn't quarreling with anybody. And if you heard my voice, it's because I have freedom of speech. Can I not talk to any other human anyhow I like?
Yeah.
Hey now. I cannot talk again because of what?
Okay, it's okay. You go to take a easy, sha. I don't dey come out.
You don't dey come out?
Okay, go work.
Wait, you are supposed to give me something. Where is it now?
Okay, the money. And you go come to my office. Oh? I will see you later. I beg no more with you.
Kata no dey tire you. Troubles no dey tire you. You'll be trouble, woman, no.
Rosa, you are a very stupid girl. You have luck because my husband say I should not talk to you. But if you had mistakenly talked to me, I would have beaten you blue and black. Shebi na talk, you say make I no talk. I for no talk, oh. I for beat you, na for hell you go meet yourself. Idiot. Useless woman wey no get handwork. Na me you wan carry bad luck, come spoil my day. Nonsense. Since I be you, when they sleep up and down, you want to come give me bad luck. I move! Ogungwa! Sweet rice, Ogungwa! Rice! Ogungwa pepper rice! What's mama? I don't show!
Kata no dey tire you. Troubles no dey tire you. You'll be trouble, woman, no. Rosa. Anytime you enter na wahala, can't you allow peace to reign? Waiting be the matter. Talk am now, no.
Shakala busy body, busy they looking for what trouble there. Shakala busy body.
Thank you. Good afternoon. How much be the rubber money?
3,000.
Kata no dey tire you. Troubles no dey tire you. You'll be trouble, woman, no. Rosa. Anytime you enter na wahala, can't you allow peace to reign? Waiting be the matter. Talk am now, no.
Shakala busy body, busy they looking for what trouble there. Shakala busy body, busy they looking for what trouble there.
Her name na Rosa.
Come, make you see Rosa. She dey carry trouble for her.
She be Rosa.
Is that why you're squeezing your face? Because you gave me money.
So maybe you see that they do something when you come. They cannot go make mistake now.
You don't even wish us well. Not even a good luck.
Good luck.
Kata no they tire you. Troubles no they tire you. You be trouble woman, no. Anytime you enter now, wahala. Can't you allow peace to reign? Waiting be the matter. Talk am now, no. Shakala busy body.
Not well. Arifa, bring the ticket to make I know what they put for here.
How much is this?
Okay, 3.9.
3 naira.
You know, it's the big one now.
Okay, let me just take 2.
Okay. Sorry, what do you want again?
This one is how much?
Okay. Let me help you bring it down. 5,000.
Okay.
You like it?
I like it.
How can you look at me?
Yeah, also on.
Okay, 8,000.
8,000. I'll take it.
I have Gucci, Stockings, Fendi, your hair, Fibers, Zara.
Zara is how much?
This one, 50k.
50k.
Original baggy.
Add it to it. Okay, let me transfer money to you. Let me pay. Just package it.
Okay, let me calculate the money. I don't have big nylon again. I think we don't manage this one. Let me use 2 nylon for you. No vest.
No wahala.
You came here with your car now?
Yes.
You don't help me sit inside your car. Let me call my account number.
Okay.
00 20 99 345. Access Bank.
Okay.
Sorry, no better. My nylon has finished. Next time. The transfer, but let me check.
Okay, check.
Okay, should I?
Yes.
Okay, after.
My friend!
Oh, my baby!
My friend!
This one, what happened?
Please, take a look.
What is this?
Girl, I just wanted to read it yourself. Okay, what me faithful?
What?
What?
You are 6 weeks pregnant!
You can say that again, girlfriend!
Give me a hug! Oh, I'm so happy for you!
You can say that again.
Congrats!
Finally, a woman with no womb now has a womb to carry her child.
Oh, that.
I thought they said I have scattered my womb with plenty abortions. Where did this one now enter?
Babe.
No, where is this one sitting now?
God is not a man.
Girl, to be honest with you, I am the happiest girl on earth.
I'm happy for you too.
You don't want to know how happy I am. Like I'm on top of the world.
God has done it.
You can say that.
You know what? This calls for celebration.
We
have to celebrate.
Girl, eat anything on my head.
Really?
Put the bill on me. I don't have money, but I will borrow. Because this calls for serious celebration.
Of course! You know what? Should I take both beds?
Girlfriend, you should look at the one I'm carrying now. Know whether I have money for both.
It's okay, I'm just kidding. You know what? Tomorrow you take me out.
I will take you out too.
Yeah, I have to
spend serious abacha.
Of course. With this
abacha with this ewu.
It's not easy. Chineke mbachi go home. I'm so happy.
Let me see my evidence. Let me package it well.
My dear.
This is how I'll be carrying it up and down.
Yes.
A woman without no womb now has a womb.
Yes, one abortion.
How did it happen?
They call you a harlot.
A prostitute. An abortionist.
God has shut their mouth.
mother. Sweetheart mother. Sweetheart mother. Surprise!
What you do that?
Guys, we go.
Okay, they give you check.
Guys, go di. Try, yeah? Try small. Try.
Chaloko. Wait. Okay! You don't get it?
We are 6 weeks pregnant.
Yes. You mean it? You mean it?
Yes.
6 weeks pregnant. Of course, I'm not wrong man. Maybe they don't say I don't sabi do anything. Everything I do inside the other room, you come out. Evidence you don't do.
I am carrying
You know, see,
evidence now.
I don't explain. I know how you do. Say those people will open their mouth talk say I be fool for love. Love when I use my hand to get married, do everything they say I be fool for love. They know they see when they come see am now.
My love.
Eh?
My love, listen to me. You see all these people that gossiped about us in this compound. What I will use this belly to do them, No, the kind of pepper I will show them with this belly. No! I will show them pepper.
No, Buto, nobody.
Open it and see the result.
Buto, open it. Buto. See, you make me proud.
I know.
Hey!
I know.
You. It's okay. I don't want to see any other thing. The only positive I see positive for here. That is more important to pass.
Is that not all you need to see?
Wait. All those people when they use me pray for compound say I be fool for love. Mama.
Gloria, Jesus. I hope all is well.
No. Hey God, all is not well at all.
What is it? What
Your
happened?
wife.
What happened to my wife?
She's not at the mechanic village. She has been rushed to the house and they want to take her to the hospital.
Jesus!
Now.
My wife!
Yes.
My wife! My wife, forgive me!
They have come to call the disastrous husband of a poor organizer.
Must you quarrel over everything? Do you have to quarrel with everything? To fear Kwagi!
You into my matter. Aunt, Sese fly. How did you fly inside this matter right now? Is it your business, Sese fly? No, is this matter your problem? You are pricing a market you cannot buy.
Hey! Owam, what is it again? What is it now? What happened? Owam? Hey. Gloria, what are we going to do? Oh. What are we going to do?
Don't worry. Let me go and call that nurse that has a shop down the road. She can help us. She's a physician. She will help us.
Okay, please. Please hurry up.
Don't worry.
Thank you very much. God will bless you. One more game of panel. Do I even have enough money to live here? I've got 50 naira. I don't even have any reasonable money. Please hurry up! My love. Why do you want to put me on high blood pressure? What is it? Thank God. Sorry, Mugo. Gloria! Hey.
I'm suspecting something. But I will have to take her blood sample for a lab test. And again, her urine for a culture test. But not to worry, all is well with her.
Okay, nurse, please, do whatever thing you want to do. All I want is my wife to be fine for me. Biko. Lugo.
Nothing will happen to her, Mr. Osei. She will be fine.
Thank God.
Amen. It's nothing serious. She will be fine.
Thank God.
Your wife is pregnant.
Eh?
I suspect it when I came in the afternoon, but I didn't want to say it to avoid giving you a false hope. She's 6 weeks pregnant. Now that you know you're pregnant, she doesn't need all this stress at this early stage of her pregnancy.
Wait, let me understand. You mean I should stop my business?
I didn't say so, ma. But you have to take 3 to 4 days of rest. You need it.
I would have said though, because if I stop this mama put business, hunger will kill us.
Pregnant women do business now. It's just that while at it, you watch your body and take some medications to keep you healthy.
Okay.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Instead of you to be going out and be falling up and down, it's better you stop this business.
I should stop mama put.
My love, listen. Your life and the life of the baby you are carrying here is more important to me than the money you think you are making.
I understand you. But if I stop this business, hunger will kill us. Yes, hunger will even kill me and this baby. My love, is it this tire that you're patching? That you bring money for? You bring money for food. You bring money for electricity. You bring money for house rent. You bring money for water. You bring money for everything. Even if you're Jesus Christ that fed 5,000 people with 2 loaves of bread. My
love, we'll manage.
Listen, Obim, I understand your fears. You know I didn't know I was pregnant. Now I'm aware. I'll be more careful. You work and bring money. I'll work and bring money. We'll join it together. If not, I'll feel you okay. Oh yeah, yasag brain. You can't carry it.
My love, I don't want anything to happen to you.
I know your fears. Nothing will happen to me. So we'll find a way. Oh, I promise to be more careful.
Please.
I'll be careful.
Pico. You know you are carrying my child.
Our child. Don't start mine. You know now from you may go my. Our child.
Hey.
Don't worry. Hey, Chimo. But I'm also the day is just dragging feet. Hi. It's just 12 o'clock and I'm already tired. Those people who are not doing anything for a living, I cannot stay in this house like this. So tomorrow I will see nurse. She has to give me drugs. Let me continue with my business. What kind of thing is this thing? This is how I'll be staying at home. Ban. I don't even get here. Can't go. I'm already tired. I will sleep. I will wake up. I will.
I pretty idiot. Don't run. Come out, bloody coward. Come out.
Rose, I'm just respecting my husband though. I'm just respecting my husband. You know you don't have bad mouth more than me.
I know what is hot in your heart. Because God has blessed me with a rich, handsome husband. A husband that takes very good care of me, that doesn't joke with me. And that has the gagam, unlike that pencil, that pink finger that your husband is carrying up and down. I saw it, oh!
I'm just respecting my husband. If not, I will not just insult you. I will beat you blue and black. Ijebo police idiot, useless woman.
Woo! No wonder you are bitter. There's no way that pink finger can satisfy a woman. I know it. That pink finger can never satisfy. If you swear that pink finger satisfies you, I won't get you. You fainted the last time. This time you will die.
Senseless, restless, she-goat. Onuku. Every time now trading I corn. Very bitter soul. Rubbish. I do woman. Each and I'm beginning where I call. Rubbish. Be ranting na onyala ogbete.
But wait though, how can she say that I'm sleeping around? Has she ever caught me with any man? I said it. These people are witches and wizards. They might be using their monitoring mirror on me without me knowing it all. I am sure I've never been too careless for anybody to suspect my moves. How? Wait, or she's just talking for talking's sake. And a confusion. Nothing. She hasn't seen anything. She has not seen me. She's just making empty mouths. But I have to be very careful. Rosa, you have to be very careful now. I really have to be.
Is there a problem? I'm very far from the house. I left the house. I came to buy something. Is there a problem? Talk to me. No, you know, I can't do such a thing. But then again, you know, I was not the only one in the compound then when the thing happened.
The only person that you can make out that things. You can't sit down to discuss anything with anybody.
Then you don't have a problem. Don't worry. I won't tell him anything. You're welcome.
Agony, why?
My friend.
This is a pregnancy video.
My sister. But see, what don't find, don't find. Whether pregnant or not.
My dear, I envy you.
See who is talking, you envy you.
My dear, if this is how pregnancy look on people, my darling, I can't wait. I need it.
My sister, it's very simple. Get yourself a sweet boy. You are good to go, baby.
Oh, that, I saw your neighbor yesterday. She's pregnant, and I was surprised.
My sister, the thing is very shocking. Of all the people to get pregnant with me at the same time, it was this girl. My number one enemy. I just noticed that her tummy was growing at the same time with my own tummy. So at first I thought maybe it was overfeeding. But my sister, it's now clear to me that this idiot is also pregnant with me. And to be honest with you, I am not happy with this new development. I am not.
Of all people, why her?
Of all people, why her? Why the witch? No, why her?
Anyways, maybe you two have the same destiny.
God forbid bad thing. In fact, clean that nonsense. Clean that mouth. Clean your mouth. Why would you look at that dead person? Someone that is almost gone. Someone with a finished destiny. And assume that me and her, God forbid, I bind it, I cancel it. Buy everything in the name of Jesus.
Amen. It's okay. I was just kidding.
No, don't even joke like that with me. That's an expensive joke. Do I fly at night? No, please don't say that, I beg.
Okay. Sorry. I got it.
Please give me water, I beg.
Calm down.
Very hot and sweet, yo. I go grab baby rice, yo. I go grab baby rice. Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you. I go grab baby rice. I will grab the beans in our sauce. I go grab baby rice. Plantain and meat is a fire. I go grab baby rice. If you want the rice and spaghetti, yo. I go grab baby rice. I do you want the entertainment, yo. I go grab baby rice. She wear them boots for leg. I go grab baby rice. She wear apron for body. I go grab baby rice. With the fine heart where they her head, yo. I go grab baby rice. She dey sell and dance, yo. I go grab baby rice. I go grab baby rice.
Madam, why are you stressing yourself under this condition?
Yeah. Okay, I'm not stressing myself. It's my business that I'm doing. It's not stress.
No, I don't believe that. Come on. You're standing under the scorching sun, dancing and selling your food. Why don't you do one and leave the other? It's not good for the baby.
Oga, every business has its own marketing strategy. You see this, my dancing, I'm dancing like this. Everybody, they're enjoying. That is what is bringing customer. I'm not the only person selling rice. But people are rushing me because of the entertainment I'm selling with the rice. So that is my business strategy. I can't stop it though. Moreover, it is very good for my baby. See this exercise I'm doing? It is very good.
Alright. Okay, why don't you do it this way? Just leave the dance for now. Then when you deliver, you can continue the dance. And...
Okay, I cannot leave the dance. So even if you go at the night, I'm not that you need to be exercising the body. I cannot leave dance. I'll be dancing my dance. You want rice, beans or anything?
Really?
See, I'm very strong. Oh. If they ask me and you to run, Oga, I bet you, I will get to that place before you. If you want me to jump, anything, I can do it.
It's okay.
I am strong.
It's okay, it's okay. You are, in fact, as a matter of fact, you are a superwoman. But just slow down, okay?
Thank
For the health of the baby.
The baby is fine. This is what my baby likes. Pepper rice. Ogugwa pepper rice.
Ogugwa. Okay, I need rice if no one. Please they arrange plates for me. Oga, her rice is sweet. Her rice is sweet.
That's what I'm saying.
Oga, if you taste this woman rice, if you taste this woman rice, you don't go any single restaurant again. Her rice is number one.
Ogugwa pepper rice, yo. Now one income. You know get back to Alicia Mijaka. Very hot and sweet, yo.
I know they sell. Later. Later now. Later. Oh, we get where they go. I know they sell.
Ogugwa,
me food now.
Plantain and meat is a fire. If you want to rice and spaghetti, I do you want to hide entertainment, she wear a boot for leg. She wear apron for body. With the fine heart where they her head, she dey sell and dance, Ogogo pepper rice, Ogogo pepper rice. Ogogo happy woman, she don't get wahala. She always there her own, the hustle for good life.
Now who packed this rubbish here? Who packed this demonic dirty barrel here? Nobody is talking to me, Okwaya. I know the demon that packed it. No, I know the witch that packed it. And I've warned you to stop packing this nonsense in front of my doorpost. But you wouldn't listen. Today you are brought serious trouble. I've been keeping too much quiet for you. This poison there. Yeah. I'm selling in this company. This price. Selling this company. Where's Miss Smith? Careful! I've been warning you to stop packing this house. Stop packing it in this house. Stop packing it here. I don't want to be here. You terrible imagination. The devil. Who are the people eating her food, sir? That serves you right. Which next time you will learn not to be packing these your demonic things in front of my doorpost. Be minding your doorpost, everyone soup. We are not friends and we can never be friends. Therefore, you have not seen anything. Therefore, no, punish you there. No, punish you. Dirty girl. Dirty pig. Idiots. Idiots. You don't have respect though. No, you are not even afraid. Using that dirty truck of yours to block my entrance. You want me to fall so that I will have miscarriage. God will not allow you. God will not allow that evil woman. You smell. Look at you everywhere smelling. Using that nonsense useless poisonous food that you are selling to be attracting rats and flies in this compound with reckless abandon. God will punish you.
Troubles not to tire you. You'll be trouble woman, no. Anytime we enter now, can't you allow peace to rest?
Hey, thank God. Checkup about somebody. Who did this to my food and my things? Who must have done this? Call me Familia! I think I know the devil. Rosa! Rosa!
Who is that?
Rosa is me! Come outside here!
Who are you?
Don't ask me who I know!
Don't you have a name?
Rosa, is me Ogugwa. Come outside. I want to tell you something. Rosa, come outside.
For what? What are you doing there?
What do I want to see you. Come outside. Let's have a conversation, woman to woman.
Ogugwa, what is it you want to show me that I've never seen before in my life?
No, you will come out, oh. You will come out. You must have to come out in now, Mariaba. So you're scared like this.
I am not coming. You know, Joy Kegin now.
But you have the temerity, the guts to go and throw away my food, my cooler, everything on the floor. You will come out, oh. If you know you are a full-grown woman, come outside here. You will die immediately. Open this door.
Agugwa, listen to me. I am pregnant. And I'm securing this my baby with everything in me. That is the reason why I will never step out. Enolia,
When you are done knocking at that door, you go back to your house.
So you did this thing to my market? Okay? You did this thing to my market. Wait, I thought you were not scared. Come outside here. Let me teach you lesson. Let me take you to an early grave right now. Come outside.
You can call it any. I am not a mad woman like you. It is only mad people that fight. I am not mad, so I will never come out.
You're not a mad woman like me, but you are demented. It is delusional. In our hallucinates. Oh yeah, you threw away my things. What did I do wrong to you? I'm asking you, Rosa. No problem. All charger will go. You go take a case. You will not come outside this house today because if you try and do this dog, obituary. Rest in peace. Gone too soon, Rosa. Just because I came back, I was pressed. I now quickly drop this thing here. Let me ease myself. What did I do wrong to you? I don't know why you brought your restless, wicked, dark heart body to this yard. Since I got everywhere. Manageta, ije, or fogona. I am boke. Oh, you can throw away my rice, but you cannot come and face me woman to woman. Be resting there. And then I police. So, hey, and where am I go? Man, I'm made you come away. Where we are taking our and the cherobi. Or just wogaro.
My friend, there's nothing I hate so much in this my life than the fact that me and that witch are pregnant at the same time. And from the look of things, we might give birth at the same time. Can you imagine? The thought of it drives me crazy.
It's destiny now. Two enemies with the same destiny.
Yanne, I have warned you to stop joking like that with me. No, you think it's a joke? I've told you to stop saying that. It's like you don't value this our friendship.
No, but there is nothing you can do about it. The only thing you can do about it is to tell your husband to get you guys new apartment. Yes.
Well, you have a point there, but getting a new apartment now that I'm almost due, it's a wrong show. It's going to double our expenses. And from the look of things, I've already made up my mind to give this my golden baby the treat of life.
Okay.
Meaning that we can't afford a new apartment. Now that will be overboard for us. Okay. So the best we can do is to just manage that year compound for the next 2 to 3 years. You know, to be able to raise up enough cash, yeah? We can now move.
You have a point.
One thing at a time. One at a time.
Yes.
I have sense. I know what to do. I will use class. I mean classism to differentiate the both of us. Yes. We might be pregnant at the same time.
Yeah.
We might even give birth at the same time. We might live in the same compound, yeah?
Yeah.
As the case may be. But when it comes to class, we are not the same and can never be the same.
Of course.
And that's on period.
I trust you. I know what you can do.
I'm carrying a golden baby, girlfriend. It can't be compared with that nonsense she's carrying. I will so pepper her with this my golden baby. I mean, I will frustrate the living daylife out of her to the extent that she will not have any choice than to run out of that marriage for her peace of mind.
Good. Do you know one thing about you? You always give them pepper.
I know how to improvise and pepper my enemy. The class is that I'm carrying a golden baby.
Golden baby.
I don't know what anyone else is carrying in their womb. Mine is golden.
Is that a cockroach?
Yes. I don't want to call anybody's child cockroach.
Yeah,
but
her own is silver baby. Why your own is golden baby?
Whatever, but mine is golden. In fact, I should call it diamond, you know.
Troubles not to tire you. You be trouble, woman, no. Anytime we enter now, wahala. Can't you allow peace to reign? Waiting be the matter. Talk up now, Shakala busy body. Busy they looking for what trouble.
Rosa?
Shakala busy body.
What did they see for here now? 500,000 there. For only baby thing.
Any problem?
Picking when they never born.
For a golden baby. Yeah. And let me warn you, I am not going to take out anything from this list. All the things listed there, you must buy them. Everything! Single one like this is not going out.
Eh?
Wait oh, this is waiting for here. They won't use and carry the pikin go Betrayal for manger.
Anayo, it does not concern you. If I like, I can carry this my golden baby to United States of America. It's none of your business. All I'm saying is that nothing listed here will be removed. Not even one.
Hey! 500,000. How much is my salary? You won't make a go thief?
Anayo, if you have to thief, go and thief. Oh. No, if you have to thief for this baby, golden baby that I'm carrying for you, you better go and thief. Yes, oh, you better go and thief, Anayo. Your mates are stealing. Yes, go and thief.
Rosa, not be me give you belly for this speaking. I'll go there and enter him. Reduce and to silver.
Come, Anayo. Anayo, you are trying to make me angry. You are provoking me. No, you want me to raise my voice so that these witches and wizards surrounding us will hear that we are quarreling over this my golden baby. You are making me and my golden baby angry. If you know what is good for you, better bring money. Go and look for how you will get the money for everything on this list. You must pay for it. Go and look for money. What are you going there?
500,000.
That's your business. If you have to steal, you steal. Your mates are stealing and they've not died. Go and steal. Is it easy to carry a golden baby for you? You know what we suffered before this thing entered.
It's okay. It's okay. 500,000. Just pick it in. No problem. What the mama? How did you come out the mama? Who's that? Hey. Like this. Thank you. Are you okay? How baby? Baby, they kick well, so. Baby.
Anayo. Anayo. I will not warn you again. I will not warn you again.
Calm down now. Huh? Smoke what with me and you don't make you down the flower face the face. Come, make we enter inside.
Don't touch me. Enter where?
Then make you go sleep.
As watchman now. No, you are watching me now, eh? Do what gonna there? I have told you that nothing for you in this house until you give me all of that money. All of it! Not even 1 cent will be removed from that money. You look like a joke to me. What gonna there?
No problem. Maybe I can go to
eh?
Small.
What gonna there? Don't do what gonna there? They are mad.
Because this is a wickedness, you. Eh? Where you want to make a bring that kind of money? You want to make a go thief? It's just I get that kind of money, I don't give you. But even if I'm not small, we can just go inside it. Let's not come.
If you're not a foolish man, eh? If you are not a foolish man, tell me why you will not steal. Are you not working as a road manager to a transportation company? Meaning that all the money in that company passes through you before it enters the company's account. And you cannot steal. You cannot steal to make me and my golden child happy. Eh? Wait oh. That's the way you talk this thing now. If you say manager, I want manager, weak manager for one company. No matter how good they do. Ticket money now, the only thing I go count ticket to keep them, they bring money and submit them. And you want me to show you Agberos that are rich? Agberos steal. They thief. Yes, that is the work of Agbero. Oh, you don't know the meaning of Agbero. It's just that you don't have brain. People are stealing. Go and meet them. Ask them questions. Ask those your friends that are doing well. At least I know 1 or 2 Agberos that are doing very, very well. Yes, so do what on them. Ask those your friends that are doing well how they are doing it. You don't want to just be shouting, you will not steal money.
Wait though. You won't make a good thief.
If you have sense, you gotta ask those your Agony friends that have made it how they are doing it without them being caught.
For this company where I don't work how many years? Now they go thief. If they go sack me, go.
Sack you. Sacking you means that you don't have sense. Because if you have sense, you will do it the right way and nobody will find out. If nobody finds out, they will not sack you. Go and ask people. Ask others how they are doing it. If you have to steal, you have better steal. You better steal. And you better steal.
I don't go fit thief for there. If they don't sack me, how I want to, how we go do am? No. I don't go fit.
Anayo, in that case, look at me. Prepare to lose me and this my golden child.
Trouble's not to tire you. You'll be trouble, woman, no. Anytime you enter now, can't you allow peace to reign? Waiting be the matter. Talk am now, no. Shakala busy body. Busy they looking for what trouble. Shakala busy body. Busy they looking for what trouble. Her name Una Rosa. Come make you see Rosa. She dey carry trouble for her. She be Rosa. Come make you see Rosa. She dey carry trouble for her. Trouble woman. Come make you see Rosa. She dey carry trouble for her. Wahala woman. Come make you see Rosa. She dey carry trouble for her. She be trouble woman. Come make you see Rosa. She dey carry.
What you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? I am going back to my father's house. No, don't look at it. This is my bag.
You won't go to your papa's house?
Yes, I'm going back to my father's house.
With my pikin?
Who is your pikin? The pikin you want to take care of or the one you don't want to take care of? I am going back to my father's house, at least where I am sure that will be probably taken care of since you want to remain a not man enough.
Why you dey do like this?
Why
you dey do wait now?
Why
you dey do like this? Any small quarrel like this, you don't body go dey pepper you, they do anyhow.
Can you leave my front?
This thing no dey call off. You don't know say inside the heart they dey. Okay, no worry, no problem. I get that because of the money. I go find them, I go give you. I go give you. I beg.
Are you sure?
If I don't, that's me. I go give you. I go find them anywhere with money. There, I go find. I go bring. I go give it to you. I beg. Put the network on your face now. Smile small.
But wait. Are you sure you give me the money?
I go give you.
I know why I'm saying this thing.
No be 500,000 for picking. I go give you. I go give you.
My love.
No way. Baby. I love you too. I love you too. It's okay. Think I can use you. It drops you.
Yes.
Ram. Because Johnny for here they sell dog food. No like dog food. You say dog meat, it will make you.
Wait, Anayo. I am very serious. Don't joke with me.
I'm serious.
Are you sure you give me this money?
Hey! Why not go give the love of my life and by picking when they come with the money? I go go look for the money. I go look for her. Make I put this one inside the house. Yeah?
Okay.
Kata no dey tire you. Troubles no dey tire you. You'll be trouble, woman, no. Anytime you enter now, can't you allow peace to reign? Waiting be the matter. Talk am now, no. Shakala busy body. Busy they looking for what trouble. Shakala busy body. Busy looking for what trouble. Her name Una Rosa.
What is the problem? What is the problem?
Ayo, what's be the problem? I don't observe you since I come work. Your mood, I don't know. You know, be yourself. What did they happen? Talk to me.
Wait. Oh, okay. Don't worry, I did okay. All these people, they don't bring tickets.
My friend, talk to me now. What did they happen? Why they do like this? You know, see, you feel confined in me. Talk to me now.
I get serious problem. Serious problem. Maybe this thing, what did they call a prison yard? What did they call marriage? I put myself inside in the name of love. And I am.
So now they complain. I warn you. Shebi I warn you. Say make you no marry this woman. I warn you. I follow for people who warn you. Say no marry this woman. You no gree. You say na there you go die. So why you dey complain now?
Ejima, no, don't insult my wife for here. If you take any other thing, no insult her. How many tickets they don't bring? I go dey okay, no worry. Bring this thing. They don't return for tickets.
Anyways, I no wan bother myself again. I don talk my own. See, if you like, die for that marriage. I no go talk again.
Ejima,
I don talk my own. I don warn you, no one hear.
Ejima,
make I give you number of tickets wey you don bring that.
We go quarrel now. We go quarrel now.
Obim. The doctor said I'll be having our baby in the next 2 months. So we need to buy some things.
Yeah, I know. And I've been saving for it. As a matter of fact, I have 20-something thousand naira with me now. By weekend, I will complete it to 30,000. So you can go to the market and buy some small things for the baby.
Thank you so much, my husband. I also have small savings that I will add to the money too. So that I will prepare for the arrival of our adorable first fruit.
I can't wait to see my baby.
Don't worry, it's just 2 months away.
Oh, Amo! My word! You are the best.
Thank you.
Yes, so. Hey! Hey! How you dey carry am go? No, put it in front of the yes, that place. Oh yes, country people. I went for my baby shopping today. As you can see, we buy them in cartons. Look at it, sealed and tight, just the way the company did it. Okay? Not all these people that will just go and pick one or two, you know, poverty people. Poverty is a disease. When you see poverty, you start praying, poverty, die. Poverty is evil. Look at it. Look at my baby things. I'm welcoming a golden child. My soon-to-come baby. You know, I'm a special classic woman. Exclusively. Oh, my dear, please, just, close it a little so they don't infect you. Today I went for my baby shopping. Exclusive baby shopping for a classic mother like me. Not some of these wretched people that can't even afford to buy ordinary Pampers. Pampers is too much. They can't even buy wipes. I keep telling people, poor people are not supposed to be fornicating. If you are poor and fornicating, you are sinning against God. You want to go to hellfire. You don't have any reason to be married. Talk more of fornicating as a poor person, because who do you intend to bring that child into this world for? You want an innocent child to come and suffer? Wretched poor people that are married to poor vulcanizers cannot relate. No. Imagine that. Imagine the evil you are bringing into the world. To suffer an innocent child. I hope all of them are. Oh, okay. Okay. Check inside. As I was saying, if you know you are poor, you have no reason to be pregnant. Talk more of fornicating.
God, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? I work so hard. Even in my condition, I struggle. Look at Rosa, that does nothing for a living. The only thing she knows how to do best is going from one salon to another, rubbing lipstick, making hair and gossiping. But look at all the beautiful things she bought for her baby. But me, I'm hustling under rain and sun. I cannot even afford basic things for my baby. Oh God.
My lord. Why is your stock of food packed outside like that? What is it? Why are you crying? Agony.
When I was coming back. When I was coming back, I saw Rosa. She came back with lots of beautiful new baby teeth. See us now, Obi. We are working hard, selling under the sun, doing everything to make money. I cannot afford basic things for my baby. But ordinary Rosa that stays at home, God provided her with money. It's like this God is partial. It's like this God is partial. He likes some people, he hates some people. Oh, when they be tough.
Oh, my love.
You bless my handwork now. Bless it.
Don't worry. You see this life? There is no competition in life. Don't worry yourself. God will provide us money that we'll use and buy the important things for our baby. Okay? Stop crying. Don't mind them. Just be contented with what you have. Nugo, my word. I don't know you to be like this, oh. Eh?
I'm just thinking. I'm just thinking.
You are not thinking, you are crying. You are intimidated. Eh? Oam? My love is okay. Should I go and help you arrange your truck?
No, I'll do it later.
Oh, don't worry yourself. Everything will be fine. Just put everything in God's hand. You go better. Oam?
My sister, I told you I will show them the way.
Tell me something.
Finish that.
Hey!
Now I went to buy my baby things.
Yes.
There was nothing on earth I didn't buy.
Really?
Nah, I bought things. So I bought things. Don't worry. I be talk and do.
I trust you.
When I finished buying things, I waited till when she will close from her sales. Immediately I targeted the right time. I chartered a cab. Clean taxi. On getting back home, unfortunately this witch was not around. I said no, this cannot pass me by. Oh, she don't fix twice show now. I told the cab man to reverse as he was about going back. This witch I just sighted her coming back immediately. I told the cab man, Oga, stop me here. I told him, Oga, this is the last bus stop, I'm getting down here. Start offloading.
Really?
Right in front of her, he was bringing out my baby things.
Yeah.
He kept bringing them out. Nah, shocked though. This girl could not hold the pain and the embarrassment. She didn't know when she forgot her barrow, her truck that she used to push her food, and ran inside. I am sure she cried.
Yeah.
Not just any type of tears or blood.
But babe, you are wicked. You are doing too much.
She started it first. Someone said I do not have a womb. This is a very strong word now. This is just the beginning for them.
Babe. Anyway, just let it be. I pity her, Sha.
Why you pity her? Whose side are you on?
My darling, I want to pity her. Show her pepper.
Hey, in the yard.
I go grab the balance. Now one little. You know get back to. And it's your job. Very hot and sweet, yo. I go grab the balance, yo. I go grab the balance. Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you. I go grab the balance. I want to be seen also, so. I go grab the balance. And then I'm neat to say, well. I go grab the balance. If you want to raise and spaghetti, I go grab the balance. I do you want to entertainment, yo. I go grab the balance. She
rice, yo. Ogogo pepper rice. Ogogo pepper rice, yo. Ogogo pepper rice. Ogogo happy woman. She don't get wahala. She always there, the hustle for good life. Very exciting woman. She don't get wahala, but if you find I'm gone, she go give you wahala. She know they look your face. If you touch her husband, she go give you wahala. She go give you wahala. She know they look your face. If you cross her lane, she go give you wahala. She know they look your face. If you do anyhow for her, she go give you wahala. She go balance you. She know they look your face. Oh, no before mouth. She go give you wahala. She know they look your face. Ogogo pepper rice. Now one income. You know get back to Alicia Mijaga. Very hot and sweet.
Hey, it is not me you people pressure in this compound. What are you getting pressure? Most important thing is that I'm pregnant. God has blessed me with the fruit of the womb. We don't have money. I'll be buying my friends small okreka. Nobody will know it's okreka. My big one. I'll buy everything, wash it off my iron and keep.
Who is there?
It's me.
Gloria. Neighbor. Neighbor, sorry.
Neighbor,
let's go now. We are running late. You're not dressed.
I just came back from market. Just give me a few minutes. Let me quickly pour water on my body.
Please hurry up.
Oh yeah, now. Cherum na domo to go. I'm coming. Wait for me.
Ay, Jesus. Oh, find me, just find me.
Hold me. Shh, stop talking.
Oh!
Jesus.
The keke man is outside.
Shut up, tell me you love me.
I love you. Shh. Sorry. Is it paining you?
No. Gosh.
Oh, sorry.
Easy, take it easy. Oh, take it easy. Take it easy, don't touch me.
Sorry.
Oh!
Sorry.
Just hold my waist and shut up. Jesus.
Hey!
Massage my waist.
Massage your waist.
Oh, and I will slap you.
Okay. Blam. Blam.
It's okay, stop talking.
Okay.
Hi.
Oh yeah. Maybe we dey go now. Maybe we go find that. Or you want to sit down? Oh yeah. Make a bring taxi. They come.
Amayo! Woo! 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 Hi.
Hold me.
I hold you my rod. Wait. Put your hand across my head. Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry. Take it easy. Small.
don't just understand this our neighbors.
Their matter tire me. Tire everybody. Two neighbors will be like cat and dog.
We always they fight. Can't still get belle the same time.
Same time.
As if that is not enough. They can't still born the same day.
Mba, no, Mba. It's not possible now. There is something wrong.
My brother, it is not just a mere coincidence.
I think these two people are from the same spiritual world and they don't know. And because that's the only reason they will be fighting up and down for supremacy.
See, make I tell you something. Our own, not to carry sit down. Make we watch that film they play for us.
Yes,
we can do. I don't get power for anybody, especially that Rosa. I don't have power for her.
Nah, Netflix, so we don't
sit down, we watch it.
I could go up pepper rice, yo. Now one in town. You know, get back to Alicia Mechaka. Very hot and sweet, yo. I could go up pepper rice, yo. I could go up pepper rice. Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you. I could go up pepper rice. I want better beans in our sauce. I could go up pepper rice. Plantain and meat is a way. I could go up pepper rice. If you want the rice and spaghetti, yo. I could go up pepper rice. If you want the high entertainment, yo. I could go up pepper rice. She wear them boots for leg. I could go up pepper rice. She wear apron for body. I could go up pepper rice. With the fine heart where they are head, yo. I could go up pepper rice. She dey sell and dance, yo. I could go up pepper rice. I could go up pepper rice, yo. I could go up pepper rice.
My brother.
Please bring my baby inside.
Yes, so courtesy of my.
Wait, Gloria, are you? What's the noise all about?
I'm as surprised as you are.
What is going on? Let me go check.
Check.
all this for?
Total stupidity.
Who is she trying to impress?
Who else? If not Ogugwa.
See, even Jesus Christ, the Savior of the world, when he was born, they don't do this kind of welcome party.
Oh, combi. Ordinary agberu. No be politician, no be business mogul, no be celebrity, no be even ordinary skit maker self. Now I can't throw that kind of party. Okay, now see be like this. Wetin he go can't do on the day of child naming and dedication? He go kick lion.
My brother, the worst thing that can happen to a man is to marry a bad woman.
You talk and well.
Moral of the story. Because this is too much.
You talk and well too.
It's too much.
You talk and well.
Ha.
Talk and well.
Ha.
You really talk and well.
Wow.
My dear, tell me something.
A total shutdown. I cleared everywhere. You know, our arrival was massive. Made possible by one and only Rosaline.
I trust you.
I held everybody down. I made sure the whole tenants, including my street people, were outside.
I trust you.
I mean outside to welcome My baby.
Yes, so.
The arrival of my golden baby.
Ground arrival.
Golden they queued up to welcome my one and only golden baby. It was massive. I can't even describe it. At a time, I'm sure they could not believe their eyes.
Yes. But what about your...
That one, my main target. How can I possibly miss her? No way I will spend all that money to miss my main target.
I trust you. Give me 5.
She was then. She came out with her wretched, poverty-stricken, wretched, battered baby. You know, because the whole thing was pandemic, epidemic, earthquake.
Yes, so.
She couldn't stand it. She had to run inside.
She ran inside?
Yeah. Mama, you saw when she ran in with her baby?
I saw her.
She hid her face. I saw her. I could not miss that running. I wish I recorded it. I would have shown you.
I missed though.
We are still the talk of the town.
Yes.
My golden child.
Really?
People are still wondering how we're able to pull off that stunt.
Yes, so.
Yes, so. Girl. You see that one? You see that girl? She's not coming out of that shock anytime soon.
Really?
And in this life, if there's going to be another life, beg the Almighty to give you a mother like mine. I mean my number one hype woman. Mama the mama! My mother was in a high spirit. Hyping the hell out of me. And raining praises.
Yes.
Her voice was sounding like thunder.
It's my daughter. I need to praise her so that they will go and hug the transformer.
My mother
you
is
know what
my
I can do?
My mother is my G.
Nanya.
My Gaia's guy.
A lioness, she cannot give birth to a lamb. Although possible.
At all.
I trust you, Mama. They made a very big mistake of their life to mess. In fact, they messed with the wrong family. I am here now. Let them bring it up. Habiaba. Anomia. Yes, I am here now. Let the show begin.
Give it
Mama,
to them.
I will give it to them.
Give it to them. The highest shock. The highest shock is this thing. They will never get out of it.
No wonder.
The shock wave we sent out is massive. It's not only her that is trembling. I mean the whole streets. They are feeling it.
I missed.
They are talking about it.
You missed.
Give it to her.
My grandson is a king, so he made a kingly entrance.
Yes, so.
You need to see us that day.
Yes, so. He sent shock waves. She's yet to recover.
I missed
all of them, but not just her.
I missed.
You missed. She almost had convulsion that day. Are you not seeing the mother? No. Who was that?
That stupid girl's mother. Mudala.
She came for the Muga guest. She came from Mugo now. Do you know that my daughter was right to have said that these people came from family of witches? Because witches and wizards is written all over their faces. Once I spot a witch, I know. Once I spot a wizard, I know. There's something in me that knows them. Mama, let me tell you something. Oh, she wants to bring her own mother. If we go competition, you see, competition will kill that girl. But because she saw my mom, she now went to go and bring her own mother. I ain't never seen any competition. That competition will not work. Nobody can compete with me because I am here and I have come to stay. Let them bring it on. Thank God I know how to deal with witches and wizards.
Yes.
Give it to them. I will deal with them. By the time I finish dealing with them, they will leave this compound by fire, by force.
Yes. Mama. No leave, no transfer.
Let them try me. Imagine. Oh, she invited her mother too. This woman looks like a witch. Witch
but she fine. She fine like you.
Fine, Gene. I don't even have time to look at her ugly face. Hold on. Someone that has not finished feeding herself. Feeding well, went to go and bring her own mother. Went to go and bring her wretched mother just because she saw my mom. How would they manage to? So we can start competing again. I'll do report it. Hey! That will deal with them. I'll do report it. Competition will finish that girl. Hey! Mama. Jealousy. Envy. I got me piano. My I am going to cut it that along. Hey, long cap him out. I trust you, Mama. Hey, I trust you not to take chances. Me?
Give it to them.
Until they hot. You will hear our story. It's not for the beginning. Angela. Don't worry, you will hear our story. You got no there. Jesus, but all get there. Say thank God, glory be to God. Amen. Hey, Agidi Bangma.
Or the Kanya. Hey, Mama.
Hey.
Mama, you shouldn't have bothered yourself coming with all those food stocks.
Also, my in-law. So you mean I should come all the way from the village, empty-handed, to see my daughter that just put to bed? To fear what? Now.
Mama.
Hey, my dear.
Don't worry yourself. Obim, why are you talking like this? You and I know we need this food stuff. You
are missing the point here. It's not like we don't need the foodstuffs. We need them. Especially now that we are in the Mogo period. But, you know, it's our responsibility. Mama shouldn't have that herself come in.
It is my responsibility. It is the responsibility of a mother and the father to provide for their children.
Yes, and I'm a baby.
Yes.
Mama,
I'm a baby.
You are no longer my baby.
My mother's baby.
Yes, sir. You are still my baby. She is my daughter. You are my son. So it's my responsibility.
Don't stress yourself. Thank you for the food stuff.
Thank you, my dear.
Mama, thank you very much.
Yezemi marama, marama. Chimu idebube o. Idirimo kono aya ewo. Jehovah bu Chineke. Onye nnefe. Ribo tutu n'ibo kaka. Chukwu onye na-aza moku. Onye ga-ebere onye obiọmiko ribo tito ekele mo ewo. Igbe eze nke ndị eze. Igbe onye ukwu n'ọgbara biko ribo tuto n'ibo kaka. Chimi mara mma mara mma. Chukwu ịdị ebube o.
Idiri moko no ahia ewo. Jehovah bụ Chineke. Onye mụ na-efe. Ribo tuto n'ibo kaka. Eze mi mara mma I mara mma. Chukwu ịdị ebube o. Idiri moko no ahia ewo. Jehovah bụ Chineke.
Kata no dey tire you. Troubles no dey tire you. You be trouble woman no. Anytime you enter na wahala. Can't you allow peace to reign? Waiting be the matter. Talk am now no. Shakala busy body. Busy they look for what trouble there. Shakala busy body. Busy they look for what trouble there. Her name una Rosa. Come make you see Rosa.
What's so? Dala. Let me see. I'm going to come and finish up. I want to buy baby's hanger. They cannot buy. He's coming here for us to start dragging space to spray my own wrapper. I'm no man. What is this? What is this? Oh my goodness. Who could do this? Who did this? Hey! You see this woman, if she ever touch my wrapper, what I will do to her, eh? If you give me the money. Oh, I trust you. Wait first, let me give her some time. Let me just watch and see exactly what she wants to do. But I'm not letting you. What sort of nonsense is this? What could be this callous? Oh my God. Who did this? Who could be this callous?
Mama, what is it?
My daughter, can you imagine? I just washed baby clothes. I spread it on this rope just now. Came and squeezed it to one corner. What kind of nonsense is this?
And the clothes are not even dry.
I just washed this clothes a moment ago. Huh?
Haba.
What kind of nonsense is this?
Oh, this is not nice now.
I don't know how some people could be so stupid and senseless. What sort of nonsense? Eh? What impetus? Okay.
Mama, sorry. It's okay.
No problem, thank you. Let me see that place. That stupid person again. Let me see. See. Look at what she's doing. She's touching my wrapper. She's touching my wrapper. She's no longer talking. Maybe you should go and check if she... Hey. Let me wait and watch first. Mama, don't wait though. It's better you go and see whether she has touched your wrapper. Because she's not talking again. She had no. Let me just catch her better and then let me watch and see what she wants to do. Then by the time I will pounce on her hair, she will not have the mouth to tell the story. Don't have What? What nonsense is this? Eh? Oh, bish. Let me see anybody that come and touch my wrapper here again. Spreading nonsense, baby. Jesus Christ. Woman, are you mad or something? It is you and your entire generation that are mad. Yala, you are a witch. Stupid woman. Look where if I'm mad. Why did you throw my baby's clothes on the floor? Why did you squeeze my wrapper at a corner. But I was the first that spread baby's clothes on this rope. Yes. Baby's clothes are made to be hanged on baby's hanger, not where adults are hanging their clothes. So don't use that as a stupid excuse to come and occupy space here. I try it next time. So, as I don't have money to buy baby hanger, won't I spray my clothes again? Mama Ogugwa, will look for space and hang your baby's clothes. If you like, climb on top of the ceiling, hang it there. Go on top of the roof, hang your baby's clothes. I don't care. Mama, don't come and use that as an excuse to block space here. Nonsense. So this is the reason you threw it on the ground? Yes, oh yes. Thank you. I will not do anything. Chilia, you cannot do anything after all. So Chilu your rag and get out of this place, Biko. Stop looking at me. You cannot do anything because if you try nonsense, I will squeeze your neck and I will beat you. Emmanuel, rubbish. It is me and you. It's me and you in this compound. I know. If she does any stupid thing, I would. You know what I would do? You will finish her. It doesn't say Mama. She doesn't even know who I am. By the time I finish dealing with her, if lazy, she will pick her teeth on the floor. She doesn't know who Mama Rosa. Mama Rosa. Mama Rosa. You don't have rest. Yes, rest. Rest, so I got your back. Just sit down and eat your husband's money. And let me do the talking and fighting at the same time. Hey, Mama. She has not seen anything. Mama, you need a life. Like beer. Life beer. My boss told me with them life beer. Mama, you mean she threw my baby's clothes on the floor? My daughter, yes. Is that how they behave? Huh? Behaving like a mad woman. Mama, don't worry yourself. Thank God my baby is sleeping. Where are you going? Mama, wait. Please come back. What have I done? Am I not supposed to tell her? Come, please, come back. Hey. Okay. In the yard! I want to know the idiots that threw my baby's clothes on the floor. I'm asking a question, who is that Onuku that threw my baby's clothes on the floor? If you know you are that idiot, come and face me. Because the last time I checked, I didn't try to go never. We all pay our rent. And what do I rent give away? Who has the guts to come and remove my baby's clothes? I want to know. If you know you're the person, come out, Mama, the action woman has no. She has not seen anything. Only to torment me anyhow, thinking, oh, this one she cannot. Okay. They don't know you have mother. They don't know. I'll go chalacha for that matter. Hey! Every time I finish dealing with that woman, she will dance naked in the market square. She should go and ask of me. Mama, wait. The idiot has gone to call her police. Police. She went to call police. Then I will beat her and beat the police. I will beat her and beat police. One day, this fight cannot pass me by. I want to join you. Baby, he's sleeping. What if he wakes up now? He will not wake up now because let's go up. Let me go. Mama, wait for me. Hey! Asina! Imano Gibo Dogu, come out and face me. Inapola, Bia or Google or whatever they call you. You have no fear to throw my rapper on the ground. You should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed of yourself. Agony now go. So you have the guts to throw my baby's clothes on the floor. No, my mother. So this is what you're doing. This is what you're doing. Eh? Disrespected my mother. It is you that have no shame, because if you have shame and you have respect, you should go and look for baby's hanger and buy I don't have money. No, I don't have money. And I will not allow you to poverty shame me. And you even have the God to talk. Yes, I don't have money. I am working hard. Don't just I don't sleep around like some people. I don't have sugar daddy. What I cannot buy, a rap you want to go to a man's wash. And who is sleeping around with sugar daddy? No, I'm asking you. You are very foolish. This should be the very last time you and your stupid mother will touch my baby. It is you and your mother that is stupid. Not just you not having money. You also don't have home training. Yes. So look at you now. Home training. You also don't have any home training, because if you have home training, you won't have the effrontery to stand there like in Jinoka and be insulting my mother. Because your mother insulted herself first. You should not try and touch my baby's clothes next time. Listen, what I tell you. Don't dare me, don't dare me, or whatever. Don't dare me. Count of 3. Go and pick my rapper. Go and pick my rapper. Mama, because respect yourself. Respect yourself, Keriyo. Naija. Let's avoid trouble. Which trouble? You think I'm scared of these people? Imagine. You think I'm scared of them? Story. 1, 2. Go and pick my rapper. I'm not scared of these people. I've not done anything wrong to them. I spread my baby's clothes. I copy your hand and trouble. I spread your baby's clothes. I stop using this place. Madam, and cause rubbish. Madam, I don't have hunger. 3. Go and pick my rapper.
Mama Rosa. But you're the one looking for trouble here. I wonder. How can you come into a company you don't even know and you be acting like the landlady?
Yeah. Shut up! Gloria, or whatever they call you, are in my bad hand. Please take your mother in. This hand does not have control. I will forget it on your face. Just take your mother in. Take your mother in. If you like trouble too much, who gave her the right to come and put somebody's clothes on the ground? Stop pointing at me. If you try it,
Rosa, you and your mother are doing too much in this compound. And if this continues, I will have no choice than to invite the landlord. I will report you to the landlord.
Thunder will bend your mouth. You are a jealous man, and jealousy will kill you. Evil man, evil imagination. If you are in the village, you'll be giving people poison. I know your type. Mama, rubbish. Mama, wicked man. Mama, calm down. Look at the faces of these people. That's one that we're exchanging words with. We can't stand here and be exchanging words with people that we can actually feed well. And even pay their rent. If I feel too generous, I will pay you people's rent. Yes, sir. Mama, let's go. No, don't go. You would have stayed here 5 more minutes. You will see yourself in mortuary. Don't go. Uncle, what? Don't go. It is your corpse. The corpse of that newborn baby you just better. Your husband and yourself, including this your mother here, that will enter mortuary. Yes, sir. Yes. All of you already a walking corpse. These people will enter mortuary. We are all playing the same rent. Every time we are go and build your own duplex. Everybody wants a duplex. We have the same rent in this compound. You cannot intimidate us. You go to cheap wig. You be able to Malaysia. Don't worry, try me next. Calm down. Oh, do the calms. Just stay calm. Why did you ask me to leave that girl? Why didn't you allow me to deal with that girl very well? Mama, did you not see that the whole tenants were against us? If we had tried any nonsense, that they would beat us silly. That was how they gang up the other time to beat me to stupor in this compound. I almost died. I know what I But what exactly are you and your husband still doing in this compound? What are you people still doing here? Mama, I understand you. My husband was dulling before, but I've gingered him up. And he's planning and saving seriously towards us moving out. So don't worry, we are on it. By next month's end, we won't be in this compound again. Okay. I don't belong here now. We're moving to our mansion. I can't be living in this kind of face me, I face you with all these classless, dirty people. Every day fighting and quarreling. No. We are moving out. But before we do that, I have taken it as a personal decision to make sure I frustrate the living daylight out of that evil woman and her witch doctor. It's better. It's better. It's better because I don't understand what you are doing in this stupid yard. What is this?
I really do not belong here. I'm too classy for these local people. We're
But
moving
me,
to
I'm ready. I'm ready for them. Anyhow, I'm very ready.
Yes. We have to frustrate them before we leave. We shall frustrate them.
What kind of thing is this? I don't belong here. I know where I belong. I'm too classy to be here. It's just because of the love I have for my husband. That's why I stay here.
Mama, let's not end. No, it's settled. It's settled. It's a done deal.
That stupid Rosa has been doing anyhow in this yard, and we have been keeping quiet on her. But you see, this time we are not going to keep quiet. We are going to act. I don't even know what that girl is feeling like. Like, who does she think she is?
I wonder. Maybe it's the small change, and that small change where the husband they make, now they enter her head. So.
Look, it's high time we involve the landlord in this whole thing.
Yes, sir.
Seriously, this is getting out of hand.
Bam.
This girl just be causing trouble everywhere in this compound. It's too much. She just wants everybody to be afraid of her. And they should go and build their own house now. She should go and build her own house. The landlord needs to hear about this. Seriously.
Talk and well.
This is not good.
Talk and well.
My daughter, so if they had not stopped you, you would have fought that woman in this condition.
Which condition, Mama? The last time I checked, I'm not sick. I just had a baby. I would have dealt with her since they lack respect.
You people will back out of this compound. You people will leave this compound. Once your husband comes back, I will tell him. With the kind of hatred I see in that woman and her daughter, they are capable of planning your death or the death of your child.
Oh, Diego, they can't do anything to me. Physically, spiritually, I'm stronger. And most importantly, my hands are clean.
Okay, I pack out of this compound because of them. Oh Diego, reverse will be the case. They should be the one planning to pack out.
I
know what I'm talking about. I know, Biko. Please.
Don't worry yourself about them. I will handle them. I will put them in their place. Don't worry. Mama, please just rest about this case. Ozugozie. Oh, you know what? Back out for Queen Eliza.
I have to leave this compound.
I'm not leaving. Don't even talk to my husband about leaving this compound. Biko.
My in-law, I still maintain that you people should pack out of this compound. You people should leave this compound. And you have to be fast about it.
Why? I understand everything you said. I know about the hatred. Yes, I know. It is very obvious.
So you know, why have you people ignored it all this while? Don't you know that such level of hatred makes people to plan death against each other?
We used to be good neighbors, so very friendly. Until that fateful evening, Rosaline came back from nowhere and declared us enemies. She started calling us witches and wizards. Ever since then, it has been war. Only God knows where she was stayed outside.
Agony, Biko, I want you people to back out of this compound. If you truly want your family alive, please.
Agony, I understand what you are saying, and it's very necessary. But the problem is money. You don't like seeing money. Working out is not easy.
Don't worry. What you have to do is that just first make up your mind. I know that God will definitely provide.
Yes, so in God. I believe strongly in God.
How much you talk so people do again?
Just 20,000.
20,000 for 1 week food?
1 week food. Don't you know that my mother is around? Eh? Besides, she's making stew and soup. Will you not eat?
Remember, nobody knows tomorrow. What you used to boast today might disappoint you tomorrow. You don't know who will help you tomorrow. Why can't you chill, cool down, believe in one love? Stop boasting. Stop boasting. You are not God. Oh.
Wait. Wait. Remember that house? I told you something about renting a decent apartment for us. What are you still waiting for? When are we moving in?
What are you? You know just one of our office today.
Calm down. I love you. I love you now. I love you.
Remember, nobody knows tomorrow. What you used to boast today might disappoint
which kind of behavior be that
tomorrow.
one? Yeah? You carry yourself come company when you know that they sell ticket, they collect money for company. You open your mouth, they talk make you know say time don't reach where you go come out from apartment, say you need this apartment. Yeah? You don't say that place where you see once they get here? Or the manor? Which kind of behavior be that now?
Should I bring speaker, microphone, so you sound it very well, so people will hear?
I don't like this thing where you do. I don't like them. You know say they find out for that place, how would people get at the behave? Before you know what thing go happen now, they don't put tire for my head, all of them go begin beat me.
I don't know why you are being dramatic right now, because I only spoke in riddles. I wasn't playing. I coded my words.
What's them riddles? What's my riddles? Oh? Yeah, home was in nursery school, no? Yeah? Why you go do that kind of thing for the first place? Why you go do that kind of behave like that? Why? Oduma?
Anayo, it's okay. As for me, I didn't say it like that. I did not say it like that.
You don't see it like that. You wear goggle for eye, up here. When telling me you wear goggle for eye, you don't see it like that. What you take see them before? No, your eye not open when you come that place. They talk nonsense. No put you for trouble.
Nayo, why are you shouting? Eh? Why you raise your voice at me?
Chedo, yeah, what you put? And my co I they talk nonsense.
Okay? Yes, shouting.
What I talk nonsense? That's a matter. It's a matter.
Not they tire you. Troubles not they tire you. You'll be trouble, woman. No. Anytime you enter now, can't you allow peace to reign? Waiting be the matter. Talk up now.
I heard your husband's voice from outside. What is the problem? Are you minding that I don't even want to call him names? Eh? Very simple. That I only advised him to be stealing money from his company. Since the company does not know how much they make in a day. So he can hasten up for us to pack out of this nonsense place. He got offended. How? Eh? Mama? No, Mama, look at me. No, look at me very well. Look at my skin, look at my color. You know how classy I am? With my golden child. Are we supposed to be living in this kind of face me, I face you apartment with all these witches and wizards people? Eh? No, this man wants me to keep fighting principalities and powers all in the name of staying in this face me, I face you. Does my mates, people like me, did I live in this kind of place? No, Mama, did I live in this kind of place? Simply because I married this man out of love. He doesn't want to appreciate it. Eh, Mama? No, tell me how I wronged him. How?
I thought you said he has started doing it already.
Yes, so Mama. He has started. Just that I went to his office earlier today to collect money for weekend food. And I now mistakenly reminded him that it was just the two of us. But I wanted him to hasten up and to be stealing a good amount of money so we can move out immediately. Eh? That is why he has been shouting.
Is that why he's shouting?
And why would I raise up the topic in his office? But it was just the both of us, Mama.
Rafonia no Jiroku. And he came back here. He was he's not even happy that he saw somebody that advised him to be getting money. Oh no, office without doing anything.
I want this man to level up, but it seems like as if he likes to. He
must level up whether he likes it or not. Don't you people back out of this place? They will do nonsense today.
I'll just leave him. Mama, I will leave him and go back to our house.
No, Mba. You will not go back to your father's house. You will live here and stay with him. He's your husband. But what I'm saying is this, you people should talk to him so that he will wake up and back out of this compound.
Maybe you have to put mouth in this thing.
I will not put mouth. You know me now.
I want him to be an agbabola like others.
You know me. If I put mouth, he will not like himself again. So, Okama just be talking to him quietly like his wife. Just make sure that he gets the money so that
I'm trying to, make him level up like others.
He must learn how to level up. Anyhow. On their koala.
Hey, what's it put you for this kind of condition? If you ask me, who I go ask? My brother see me now. What's the way go happen to any man for this life? Like you marry woman with people, you don't get sense. You can fall in love with woman we get long throat. See how you don't finally finish me. I don't finish me.
So, what you want to do now?
I know what I go do. What I go sit down waiting for police to come there.
No. See what you go do now. Rush to your house now. Pick 1 or 2 things now for your house. Collect 1 or 2 things. Okay. Rush, no go your village. You dey hear what I talk. Go if na last settlement. Go that place. Go hide your face. No allow anybody to see. They go hide.
Wait. What about my family?
You leave your family. Save yourself first. Go. Do fast. Good.
Anna, what is it?
Anayo, who is chasing you?
Hey, please check outside, Biko. Anything.
I saw a bike man with it.
A bike man? Who police well? I don't know for that.
Anayo! Come! Where do you think you're going to? Who is chasing you?
Who's going to talk without one? Where did they bring that kind of talk?
Anayo, as your wife, I command you now. Tell me who is chasing you.
Okay, you command me. You command me or where?
Because you're not living here without telling me.
I don't get time for rubbish. I see as I dey here now, I don't get time. If I reach where they go, I go call you for phone.
Uzulori, why is he running like that?
Hey! Anayo! If anybody stop.
Hey! If you can't get nobody even knows where he's going to.
Hey, where are you going to? Why do you want to embarrass me?
Rosaline, I don't get time for this rubbish.
You have to reduce your voice, so.
Come rest, that is why.
Hold it there. We are trying to go.
You are trying to run away from your crime.
Are they Chris?
Impossible.
Which crime? My husband is not a criminal. Are you a criminal? And are you trying to run away?
For what? Are they Chris?
Officer, what are you doing before? Handcuff him.
Handcuff who?
Handcuff.
No.
How waiting?
What are you doing?
Okay, wait.
Okay, baby, calm down. Sweetheart. No, don't make trouble with them.
Sweetheart, to go
I
on.
am calling the commissioner of police right away.
She won't call for commissioner.
No, you can't come in here and embarrass my husband.
My advice for you is, this is beyond commissioner power. The order that came is from Abuja. And right away, if you don't act fast and follow us down to state CID, if not from there, he's going to Abuja.
In that case, I will call the inspector general.
Thank you. Call commissioner.
I will call
commissioner.
Baby, don't cry.
Move up now.
Go with them.
Move.
I am calling inspector.
5 minutes.
Let me get
I said move.
It's okay.
Rosa.
Mama.
Oh, wow, Abuja. Abuja, that is foul.
See, every day now for the thief, one day for the honor.
I don't understand. What are you insinuating? Are you trying to tell me that Anayo is a criminal or what?
Now for my mouth, you won't hear that one. Okay, now, haven't you noticed how he's been spending money recklessly since the birth of his child? Huh? He spent money recklessly as if he's the landlord of this compound. Okay, now, come, make I ask you. How much is his salary? How much? Just a mere boss loader. Now.
My brother, I've been seeing it too. But I know that it's Rosa that is doing all these things. She was trying to show her rival, Ogugwa Pepe. At the end of the day, she ended up showing the husband Pepe.
Okay, say this here.
Abuja is foul.
That saves them, right? Huh.
They said he has been stealing from the company.
Hey! See this life. You see this life. When Rosa was buying all those new things before we had our babies, peppering everybody in this compound, I never knew she was enjoying stolen money. Thank God for today. God has shown us the kind of people they are in this compound.
Exactly.
And she was busy doing all those inyanga, cursing me, telling me that me and my husband, we don't have anything. Whereas, she's enjoying stolen money. This life, don't envy anybody.
Exactly.
My daughter, that young lady and her mother, they are desperate.
Very.
They are something else. So now, they have succeeded in luring that young man to do.
Mama, I thank God for my life. You see that day that girl brought those baby things, I cried, I was bitter. I was thinking that God doesn't love you. That is why it is good not to envy people. It is good not to compare your journey with anybody's journey. Because the source of whatever they are enjoying, you don't know where it's coming from. It's not only God that gives blessing, even devil. Yeah. See their life now, their nash is outside.
They are terrible human beings.
Right. That is why I always tell you to be contented with the little, with what you have. I'm learning, Mama. I've learned as a matter of fact. Not all that glitters are gold. At all. Rosa. Hey! How do you?
Mama.
Hey!
Hey,
I thought you said you call the commissioner. Call him now.
Which commissioner?
I thought you said you call commissioner.
I was only saying that for just talking sake. I don't know any commissioner. In fact, do I even have any commissioner's number?
No, what commissioner?
Mama, that is not my problem. My major problem now is that there is no money in this house. And very soon, my baby's food will finish.
No money in this house?
Not even one couple.
Hey! Oh, can't see. You do the omugo be henka, Is this how people used to go to omugo? Oh, can't see your omugo. Now, I can't see where your omugo. How do I make one? Hey.
This one where you know the people call. Hey! I hope say no beauty and the thing they happen. No. Hey! And I no can't get the wife number. Hi! Yo, I will pick up your call now. Pick your call. Hi.
Go inside and search. Maybe you see his ATM card. ATM card. Anayo is not that daft to leave his ATM card behind. He has never done it before. And he can't even do it now. Under possible. Go and search first. Search. Maybe you see his card. You know his number. You might maybe he mistakenly dropped it. Go. He only give me that card when he needs me to use it to withdraw money or pay for something. And once I am there, he's collecting it. The next question is, where is my ATM card? He can never leave it behind. Under possible. When considering the way he ran out of this house, maybe if he forgot something, he might forgot his wallet or something. You will see the ATM card. Check first. Go do check. Yeah. Go and check. It's okay. Go and check. Hey! I'm not moving on what behavior. Eh? People will go to Amugo and come back with good things. My own nephew can job, Anna. Agony! What? God is good. I'll be forget. God is good, Kinago. Well, I was telling you to go and check this and this. No. If a mother is talking, you listen and obey your mother. Here we go. I moved to the bank to transfer all the money. Don't even leave a penny there. When can I see leave 1,000? Collect everything. I'm sure it must be up to 1 million by now. Fiam, everything finish. Go. Go. Okay, let me go and get my... Get what? Don't change your... You will hold your bag. Don't change. Just... Mama, let me carry my bag. Now the bag I will use and put it... Oh, yeah. Well, sack, so that you put everything there. We will go to our village. You follow me. We'll pack everything and go to my village. If you get to Owerri, you start business there. Start a new life. Because this Anayo we are talking about, I'm not sure he will come back out of that case alive. Oh yeah, won't wear that. To fiakwa. Who can say bad luck? No. Nothing good will come out of this man and Anayo. Onayo, Harry, yo. So.
The vulcanizer. Fill my tires, I beg.
Which one am I pumping?
Check the 4 tires and not the ones to fill up. Which one to fill up?
Alright.
Osita! Osita! Ugo! Osita! How far? This is where you're behind it. And your father has been looking for you all over.
My father looking for me?
Of course.
And why is my father looking for me?
Osta, listen, you need to forgive your father. Man. You have to forgive your father, okay? Because as I'm talking to you now, your father is the next king for community. I know what that means.
Next king. My father be the next king.
It's a long story though, but I break it down to you. You know, the last king never wanted the kingship to shift to the next community according to the kingship rotation. You understand? So the gods started killing them one by one. The king died, and his son refused to ascend the throne. And the elders have decided to take back the kingship to the real family, the SNF family, and your father is the eldest.
Are you serious?
I'm serious, brother.
My father, the next king.
And you, the next prince.
No one knows tomorrow. No one. But allow your tongue to put you in trouble. Don't allow your tongue to put you in trouble.
Osita, you need to take me to your house. I mean, I need to know where you stay, since you have refused to follow me home.
Ugo, I can't follow you to my father just like that. Not after everything he did to me. No, I cannot go back to him that easily. I cannot.
No one knows tomorrow. No one. Don't allow your tongue to put you in trouble. Don't allow your tongue to put you in trouble.
Tell me what is good about this afternoon. In fact, tell me one good thing about this afternoon. Others went to Ghana and came back home rich. You went to Ghana and came back home empty-handed. Chey, are you not ashamed of yourself?
Papa.
Eh?
Papa, how many times do I need to explain to you that those boys are rogues? They are fraudsters. They hack people's accounts. Those boys were Yahoo boys. Is that the kind of business you want me to do?
But they are stinkingly rich, isn't it? They are very rich. Eh? Oh. Whatsoever you see them doing, do the same thing and stop giving silly excuses.
Papa. Papa, please. I want us to discuss something very important.
What is more important than that a full-grown man like you have nothing to show for? No kobo, you don't have. No land, no car, no good business. In fact, nothing to show for. Oh my God. You are a waste too.
Papa, I'm not a waste. Papa, I'm just coming from my in-laws' house. Yes, they said I should come and take my wife back home. Since I'm in the country now, my wife should be in her husband's house, not in her father's house. So I will be bringing Ogugwa in tomorrow. I said, let me tell you, she has to come back.
Yes, you are a liability to me already. Now, you want to bring your wife so that you and your wife will be eating from an old man's pot. Are you not a useless boy? Aren't you?
Papa, wait. Papa, you are sounding as if I won't get any job at all. You are sounding as if this my condition will be like this forever. Papa, I don't understand you. I will still get a job, a befitting job for myself.
In fact, I don't want to see you in my house again. Yes, I don't need you in my house. You and your wife should go and look for where you will be living, not my house. You can't be a burden to me.
But you are not serious. You are not just serious.
And you are serious. You are serious? Are you? Okay. We will know who is not serious. Whether it's you or whether it's me. Go and bring her inside this house and let me show you how seriousness. Imagine, how much you carry come? How much did you bring? Did you bring money? Look at it. Look at it. Lay. Come on, go inside and allow me to. Nonsense boy. Imagine.
Baby, please. Stop crying. I know what is hurting you. But I want to tell you something. You're not a failure. You see, in this life, you will succeed. You must make it. I don't care how long it's going to take us. It's not everybody that wants to go into Yahoo or crime to make money. It's not everybody that is desperate. And you're one of those noble men out there that I know that one day God will bless them. Please, we have to live for the city. We'll just go to the city. We'll find one small house like that. We'll be living there. Then I'll start my mama put business. You know I know how to cook and people love my food. I cook very well. Before you know it, you find a menial job that you'll be doing. Before you know it, we will make it. We just have to live for the city. We cannot continue to stay here, please. Stop crying now. You're hurting me, Beacon. Eh? You know I love you so much. Please, baby. Baby, please.
My love. You're just a God sent. I know it's God that sent you to me.
And it's God that sent you to me too. It takes two. You're a very nice man. I know things are not going the way we want, but we'll definitely celebrate someday. Hmm?
Thank you very much for being part of me.
Sister, it's okay. Stop crying. You are a man. Everything that has happened is now in the past. Just man up. But I must say, your father is already regretting his actions. You need to forgive your father, and that's the most important thing. You really need to. Okay? You have to.
Hey! No! Huh?
Mama, you see this dancing that you're dancing be coming down. If you know how my father-in-law treated us when we came back from Ghana, you will understand why I'm skeptical. It's not good news, it's a good news, but...
Daughter, you should not be. Inugo, you should not be. Whatever it was, that was past. My Bible told me that all things have passed away. And behold, all things have become new. Huh?
Amen.
My dear, all those things have passed away. And everything now has become new. Okay? So forget about those things now. Past, all past tense. We are not going to continue living in past. Huh?
No problem.
God is about to change our situation. Are you not seeing it?
Mommy Gio.
Are you not seeing it? Hey! 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 At least she's going to get them. It's like that. Rose. What is it? Eh? Why is your face like this? Can they go? Where is the money? Eh? Eh?
Anayo's account has been frozen.
Onya?
Anayo's account has been frozen by the police.
Police?
Mama, they have blocked his account. I almost got arrested by the bank.
Kambia, let me understand. There's no money in Anayo's account. Is that what you're trying to say?
They have blocked his account, meaning there is no money, not even one kobo.
Hey! Hey, what? There's no money. No money. So we're not going to eat food.
Mama, don't talk to me about food. Do not just talk to me about food. My only worry now is what my baby will eat. It's my baby's food that is my problem now, not your own. It's my baby's food. And your own. Are you sure it's not even you that brought this bad luck here? What is going on? Because since you came here, everything just went upside down. We were living peacefully, doing this still quietly and enjoying ourselves. You came here and everything just scattered like that. Eh? Check yourself, oh. Check yourself, oh. Check yourself, oh.
Hi. Agwo zokwata. Hey!
Ha! It's 2 days since your husband was apprehended. We've not heard from him nor heard from the police. So we don't even know the true situation of things. Mama, you see Anayo and those police people? They are the least of my worries right now. Like whatever they want to do, let them go ahead and do it themselves. It's none of my business. My major concern right now is there's no food in this house. My baby's food has finished. And there is no money, not even 1 naira in this house. Hey, I don't understand what you want me to do. Do you want to stab me to death that I came for Omugo? Eh? Because you should look for something to do about it. If you don't give me food, I will just pack my bags and I will go back to the village. Mama, you are threatening me. Why not go and fly back to the village? You are talking like as if you have money with you. Fly back to the village now. But we will not continue to live like this, eh? We will not continue to live like this. You should look for something and do. You have to do something about it. Biko. There's no money in the house, there's no food. You will not sit like this. You have to do something. As it is right now, my only hope is my best friend. Maybe I will just go to her and see if she can borrow me money, so I can buy my baby's food at least. That's my major concern. My baby's food. Don't I need food too? Or same baby's food? Is the only baby that will eat food in this house? Eh? Mama? As in, if I'm worrying about my child, I should worry about you. You should worry about me too, not Madu Kambo. Mama, this is a shameful act. It is not a shameful act, anything. Act because your mate used to come to Amuga with food and money. Did I not come with food? I came with 2 bags of yam. This your husband that is a glutton. He eats a lot. He has finished everything. Now he has finished everything. Me I'm starving. You are telling me did I not Butenia come to this place? You people will not start me here.
What is time to gain? What do you wanna gain with gossip? What joy do you want to derive from gossip? Watch your tongue, don't boast, yeah. Cause the end justify the means.
Hey, Bessie.
No one knows tomorrow.
What is it you are crying?
Please tell me, am I not beautiful enough?
What is the problem?
Do I look like someone that is under a curse or something? Why do men use me and dump me? I have not had any relationship that lasted at least 3 months. They always dump me.
Oh my God. Please don't tell me that cute boy I saw you with has broken up with you. What's that his name again?
Ifeanyi.
Yes, Ifeanyi.
Ifeanyi has left me. Ifeanyi has left me.
What happened?
I don't know. I don't know, but I think God is punishing me for the evil I did. And I need to confess.
You need to confess to what evil?
I need to confess. You know that thing I told you about your neighbor? Ogugwa?
Yes, the idiot that was gossiping about me.
Yes.
This one you're rushing me with all the pack.
I'll be calling you now.
What is it?
Wait now. How are you doing now?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm okay. Hey, how is your neighbor?
You know I have so many neighbors. Which of them are you talking about?
The fair one now, Rosaline.
Oh, the beautiful one. She's fine, no.
Beautiful one. It's not about beauty. I don't even know that girl will get married.
I don't understand. You don't know she'll get married. Is it that she's not a woman or she's not fine enough?
She's fine, but it's not all about fine.
So what are you talking about?
You don't get it. That girl, she lived a very bad life. We lived in the same street when she was staying in their family house. My dear, before her parents now moved to the village, that girl lived a very bad life.
So, this is the reason you said you don't know she'll get married?
Now, before I call. When you made an abortion, the person cannot give birth now. She has damaged her womb. In fact, all the married men in our former street slept with her.
Enough. Enough. Stop it. I cannot do this thing with you. Kosia na room na sasere. I can't believe you stopped me where I am going to do something important just to gossip and talk down on another woman. I don't tolerate it. Shh. Please, next time, don't gossip anybody to me. If you want to gossip, take it elsewhere. How can you open your mouth to say that another woman's womb is damaged? Are you this bitter? Don't try and stop me to gossip anybody. If you like gossip, look for your partners.
No be gossip. She did abortion now.
A happy woman, she don't get wahala. She always there her own, the hustle for good life. Very exciting woman, she don't get wahala. But if you find her,
Please, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
Wait a minute. Sogukwa did not even say anything about me. It was you who said all the bad things about me. And you put it on her.
Yes. I said it because I was so afraid. She would tell anything I said about you. I had to accuse her. But my friend, I'm suffering already. Please forgive me.
You are evil. And God will double your punishment. I promise you that. So you made me fight an innocent girl.
Please forgive me.
Angela.
I'm sorry.
I will slap you. Do not touch me.
Please, I will not do it again.
Angela, you are actually the real witch. You are the real witch. You did not only ruin my life, you ruined my marriage. You ruined my relationship with God. Because
I know, but please find it. Please forgive me, I'm so afraid. God is punishing me already. Nothing is working out for me. Please don't leave me like. Please. Please forgive me. God is punishing me already. Forgive me, I'm suffering already.
no one knows to no one. Don't allow your tongue to put you in trouble. Don't allow your tongue to put you in trouble.
Otu akwụwadị. Ekwe na anyo. Hey! Ekwe na anyo. So this is how people are. This is how they turn and become devil to another person. Mama, I don't know what to do to her. I don't know what to do with her. I don't know whether to kill her, poison her, or maybe send her other assassins to her so that they can just shoot her in the forehead like this for me and end this all. Wanka. So you were not even sure this why? But Mama, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do now. To this extent? Mama, where do I start from now? I'm confused. I don't know what to do. I can't even go to Ogugana to begin to explain or apologize because it's too late to apologize. I can't apologize to her now. Mama, hey God, I made a mistake. I made a serious mistake. Maybe I should have confronted Ogugwa when she told me. Yes, if I had confronted her, I believe she would have explained to me the actual truth of what happened. You didn't even tell me. I didn't even know. And I just jumped in the center of the fight. I collected everything I was fighting without knowing the truth. I couldn't have forgotten. Hey. Oh, wow.
Here comes the prince and the princess, the future king and queen of Isuko Kingdom.
You look so fine.
This life, This life,
the life no balance at all.
What is time to gain? What do you wanna gain with gossip? What joy do you want to derive from gossip? Watch your tongue, don't boast, yeah. Cause the end justified the means. Tomorrow is far. No one knows tomorrow. No one. Don't allow your tongue to put you in trouble. Don't allow your tongue to put you in trouble. No one knows tomorrow. No one. Don't allow your tongue to put you in trouble. allow your tongue to put you in trouble.
Now one in town, you know get back to Alicia Nijaga, very hot and sweet yo. I go grab baby rice yo. I go grab baby rice. Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you. I go grab baby rice. I will better be seen as so I go grab baby rice. Plantain and meat is over yo. I go grab baby rice. If you want the rice and spaghetti yo, I go grab baby rice. I do you want to hide that them yo. I go grab baby rice. She wear them boots for leg. I go grab baby rice. She wear apron for body. I go grab baby rice. With the fine heart where they her head yo. I go grab baby rice. She dey sell and dance yo. I go grab baby rice. I go grab baby rice yo. I go grab baby rice. I go grab happy woman. She don't get wahala. She always there her own. They hustle for good life Very exciting woman She don't get wahala. But if you find I'm come
she go give you wahala she know they look your face.
If you touch her husband
she go give you wahala
she go give you wahala.
She know they look your face.
If you cross her lane
she go give you wahala she know they look your face.
If you do anyhow for her
she go give you wahala
she go balance you
she know they look your face.
Her own no be for mouth
she go give you wahala she know they look your face.
I go grab baby rice now one in town. You know get back to Alicia Nijaga, very hot and sweet yo. I go grab baby rice yo.
I go grab baby rice.
Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you.
I go grab baby rice.
I will better be seen as so
I go grab baby rice.
Plantain and meat is over yo.
I go grab baby rice.
If you want the rice and spaghetti yo,
I go grab baby rice.
I do you want to hide that them yo.
I go grab baby rice.
She wear them boots for leg.
I go grab baby rice.
She wear her apron leg yo.
I go grab baby rice.
With the fine heart where they her head yo.
I go grab baby rice.
She dey sell and dance yo.
I go grab baby rice.
I go grab baby rice yo.
I go grab baby rice.
I go grab baby rice yo. Now one in town. You know get back to Alicia Nijaga, very hot and sweet yo. I go grab baby rice yo.
I go grab baby rice.
Anyhow you want them, she go put them for you.
I go grab baby rice.
I will better be seen as so
I go grab baby rice.
Plantain and meat is over yo.
I go grab baby rice.
If you want the rice and spaghetti yo,
I go grab baby rice.
I do you want to hide that them